for medase se wode wo TV no ato Adom TV na woni beto na montuo e wo dwumadi ato na edini enkranhye mre so me amede dwumadi ho chia me edi amje so no eye Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego na obetimi afre obi na yeto na montuo megidi se baabi a woti bia ne nneoma a wo bia no usam yinia esefata wo empo entade a wo no bako mu a wo pepa empabo a wo mu no ebo a wo pepa chese obi a nya wo no ade bako bi wo ha ofa ne se enedamufua eba no ntade mu mpabo mu mpo nyonkofuo mu no bako mu a oyi no efri mu a ase enye yi sana woni padua so te wono ade bi bako wo a esombo ya wi ni firi mu abrabo na chese agija ese wabrabo atosi na mame no nkotwere kunkrumu na menka se mi kirewo wo se I chese mi nyankopon I wish above all things that you prosper and be in good health even as your soul prospers. O se eyame pese ubetumpon no nya pomodne kosise wadwene ana wokra betumpon, which means your prosperity and the state of your health physically, mentally and spiritually is dependent on the prosperity of your soul. Until your soul prospers, your life and your health will not prosper. Kosimra wokra entumpon no woni padua ususum wadwene ene wodi o manyina ntimi ntumpon sana asema meka ne kire ye ene kire se oni pabia no you first need to seek a prosperity in your soul and so ntumpon wo kra mu before you can talk about prosperity externally. Ne ka soul. Now what is your soul? Your soul is made up of three things. Wo kra no ne mamensa ene ehye wo kra mu: your thoughts, your emotions and your will. Kwan ya ofa so dwene ana adwene gu wadwene proso watin kan wo kanya no ene ne awde opeye wope ene kabo mu a ene ye se uso se sa ne ma miensa wentumpon a untimi ntumpon. But of all the three things that makes up your soul, your thoughts, your emotions and your will, the major one which you have to focus on is your thoughts. Say me kind Solomon adebe odija me a or say even as you think so shall you be. It's a divine law. Kwan ya ofa so adwene no sa na wabrabo beye. Say wadwene akoye se afidie mu engine eno aso ye key eno aso ye battery ena ekura wo. As you treat your thoughts, so shall you be able to treat your life. Whether in your marriage, whether in your business, in your other relationships, and everything you do is dependent on the thoughts. In every day, there are demands that are placed on you. Na emra ukrana asemra no sha ona de asashi emra no kontem na etoda bi kura usewa ho odin so da benya na eketo abi. At the end of the day, you spend more energy, but you seem not to get anywhere in life. It is not that your time is insufficient. It is not that the demands on your life are too much. It is because your thoughts are insufficient. Enye adeso aso wo na mu oduo and now how I wo hia no na edine anempo emre na eni ho emre de ho pa ena abrabo nso no gitumu se ohaw ni apinide akwaside beba na mom ni atosin any kwanya ofaswa odwene. You have not been able to take control over one major source, the power you have to create the life you want. Onyame edi tumi bi ehyewo mu se tumi no nkwa na wo wonsam ya obetimi ade ania wo ye. The reason why you are stuck in life, the reason why you are experiencing instability in your marriage The reason why you are not even making a headway in life, the reason why you are sad and angry is because of the thought you are encouraging. What do you do? Every morning and every afternoon, every evening, life will present you with opportunities. These opportunities are clothed in challenges, in troubles, in obstructions, in demands that are external. Ube share a coincidence, ube share how, ube share empo, enipa sebe wano kasa enko benkrumu, ube share will be a sebe na no kasa bema empo webutu, enembo habe share be a coincidence, but you have the power to overcome all these things. Now no be na me advert be or say I got the power. I don't know if you remember that advert. There was an advert that says I got the power. Not joyful neighbors advert. No. Indeed, every human being made in the image of God, you've got the power. There's a secret power which all of historians katete and him before and I'm a four when I go school pon a dream a can konyoma psychologists and empo philosophers 1 year enimdi ewa brabomu empo 1 year a candifo ewo asori ahodo mu any 1 year edimu abrabomu no ojetumu se ade ba ko pe ena wohia se nipa benya yedie ana obeko se yemu ana enkoguobu. That secret evolves around the simple idea you are what you think, good or bad. That's what you are. You are what you think. You see, so what kind Proverbs and Mebusem 23 verse 7 it tell you say, for as he thinks in his heart, so is he. When you are first to join us, when Yansani Solomon and a dear same way too. Life consists of many waves of thoughts. They keep flowing through your mind. It is the duty of you to make a choice, to identify which thoughts you have to entertain and which thoughts you have to ignore. Adichibia, adwina hudo na ewura wadwini pronso. Osano pa, o kokromu, unam mfichire, unam brono so, empo beda, adwini bebre na ewura wadwumu pie. Uwo kwan se obetimi akasa adwini we, mekoso adwini wo, adwini we me sound. Therefore, because your thoughts are so important to determine the results of your life, it is incumbent upon you to determine what thoughts you have to entertain and what thoughts you have to discard or ignore. Oshemia, adwin be na wodwene. Oshe ho a, adwin be na wodwene. Oshe wa brabo wo daachi adwin be na wodwene. Oshe ho kani wo mma ne wadwuma adwene a wodwene no ebetimi akanya ho ana ebetimi ama wahwe ewiase dia ye nyina gina adwene a wodwene so. Our lives are about the world of our thoughts. Ya brabo a ye bui no ye wo wiase bi ete ya adwene proso ye fe na adwene thinking na enna wo kora ne yi a ebe kora brabo yi abusua enede the person be so assembly. Think about what you are thinking about. What are you thinking about regarding your life, your marriage, your business, your health? What you think about will determine the outcome of your life. Ahana meja wo na mada wase se onya amrehwe mi koso ahwe dumedi a edi akire wo badwam yi mu na mame na ase na mem crowd se woni onyamentra edi am jeso anita kotego me da me producer Randolph ena eja webe kampeduasi na madam sound osmosis am sia na lighting ne from managers won yanse wo chance so ebehia dwadwempa.
Miamo chibiem nase from Adom TV Badwam so yada niya sinin cranshan samano pay niya siya no na broso siya de bros Adom TV Badwam kasiye niya toja umubi ya ubeti ni gihok jumayefo bi ne aye yechre anasa na nra ye yechre na wono mo snit ne won sika sembi ho semti ye de mu nsam no ebebra mo na fe Professor Frimpong Boateng enran so kopie mo e was special prosecutor pani nanim e wo de galamsey ho ansem bi anansen ebetodwa eno ne nsem bi ena no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo Facebook /Adom TV kase no e wo ho say Go TV na wa ubenya ye wo channel 119 ena DSTV nso channel 280 midin ediafia amankwa tamaklu afia ni die mo tie se den samni chiremu ankasa etie adwumayefo bia won ewo Gihok distilleries enenra won mo ye kire kakra de chia won panifo ni nyina ne se won mo snit ntinto ho aye bibia wo ho akatua no kra nso ebi akamu nti won kra de fa akwanya no so sai case ne pi se won managing director de Owura Maxwell Kofi Juma wo se yi no edi free ho mu chire mu ne de koso Adom TV edeba
be yare ye no ko kakra na MC ebe so adwuma nim no within 2 weeks enwama bi atoto na akwan mu ama akoyie kakra fine sese no yesi ye pe MC
because me mawale no wayire ni mawo akam utai 2 months pay hani tron utai because me wayire ese me man akomwa.
The challenges that we have, our SNIT has not been paid, our Provident Fund has not been paid for almost 18 months now. So this is what we are fighting for.
Nenso empanifo de adwumayeko no ekere se de adwumayefo yi kanu no krebia enhyeda ennim.
I am a technical manager, financial manager, right, and a boss secretary. One way retain a lawyer on your adwuma ha. UFC ye fa 18 months ni. Me pache wo. Enti se wo ye sure so wo twetwa sesika ya kedru sei omo senate ene omo pf wona na oti akunwam as fc de na wanye sa wo sa be ye imc member wo ana nkrofo na ma me kan kire mo se de ehia ni na se mo so kra mo ni papa eno mo ye kire no ada na wo technical manager on crop for yon country mo say na den na mo ya me kwatra mo amfa bibia mo msubu
osan ekire mu se enipa bi enaka won tirapa mo a opese wogu managing director enimu ase na emfa ho se wo mo eye saa no managing director wa bo adwumayeko yi pa ewo akwan ahodo pi so
sales department obie ni ho komo omugu amonti omoto ade omo nka gi wo ko market omo nka gi wo ko administration omo nka gi wo ko procurement omo nka gi wo ko mo kan kire me security omo nka gi wo ko senior warehouse omo nka gi wo ko eye de ntina technical ni production na production ni technical ni pe ho so do so eye de na 2030 no mo ye kire na emom dia make sure nipa no kwa no mo ye kire ensia wo mu a honorable Master Kofi Juma ba ni apam wo the former MD SRK wo oba no from no mo adwuma tibono aye ne sai obi nhwe onkohwe nkwa ye hwani kwewu e babo mo kire so na sa bo
Kanin so for now was share environment science technology and of innovation eso na wasan eye dwamtene new cradema interministerial committee on illegal mining Professor Frimpong Kwabena Frimpong Boateng enei ne nsem bia okeka ye fa galamsey hu ma bobo mpanifo bi din a ewi akire ne se won hu ni mo no won ato on sadia freno ewo special prosecutor ni menra won ne mranim fo ko honomo ekokodi nkomode koso kwadwomensa brampa what I tell you, it was so.
One war environment science technology and innovation. Yeah, no science dream tinenia with that interministerial committee on illegal mining. And no Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng. Abo aboyemu adwumayefo bi no musobo se wonom eye no yoboni bia etia ekon a wosai awa kwan bone ofa so etu fom agudie so anam sansem yi hunti no special prosecutor so ye eton safre so afo yi sebe ya obetumi abisa ne nsem afa sansem a wodi tu dwa no ho na ene ebre bo nundu na Professor Frimpong Boateng ene na lawyer for eko OSP asoye hodomo na ebre donko ebopa ho sima aduonunum na ototo na no ewieye yamane boni kodwumensa abrompa na nani edi sansemi echi
Weja Bawe Municipal Education Directorate no ede to edwa empanifo hwe na ensuo esotenafo bamba ye de bo won ho ban sa life jacket wonya bi na boat nso wonya bi na sukufo a won mu twa nso ansa no won akọ school no yetimi abo won ho ban Adom TV etwaso
Municipal Education Directorate ede ato Ghana by enim se ene enim oyi adesuafo a won mu twa nsuo efri fana ekokro foforo so ekosuku no wompe subonto bia opanyini baako ebeka won ho a obebo won ho ban ede wo akosuku se beye ne animu ya no atorenche ma esi ye ebi nsibiem afei so osan ede to aban anim se ebeye kora nko wonsi suku ewo fana ema emofra wo ahye suku ase na ma obia entwa nsuo anko wi aboman anko pe nimdie sanse mi betu odwa ewo won hwehwemu a woyeye edifa emofra nkron a wo ehwere won kwan ewo densu esukase no emu sa report ya ebeka Adom kase ensa no ekire se we jagbawe education directorate ene ablekuma west education directorate ene ne kabie wonfo ekambo mu a wo behwere se adesuafo a wo etwa nsuo anase wo twa kwantenten ekokro foforo so ekosuku no obetimi abo wo ho ban enso oni nyina mu no emofra wo etwa asuo densu ekowi aboman ena wo hyase ede afiri won so a wo beti wani ahwe won yie afei wo sai eka de to aso se ne papa mu a ewo senka life jacket etimi ewo ho ema adesuafo yi na abiri bia wo beko school no eka ne ho na churchfo nso ente wani enhwe nsubonto a emofra betene mu ansana ama wo mo tene mu ede akofie so manfo beka yi awukuada kotonima abosome de toso edube se enwumre no num mpa mu ena emofra dumienu na wo mo eti nsubonto mu efri fana ekowi aboman nsubonto no eda na yi a enkron de wo hire wo mo nkwa ewo mu memende etwa mu no ena abusia ekopa wo mo krabra ababaye atoyenchem kase a asi ewo Gasouth mensine no emu enunti ena Ghana Education Service ne nkrabata mienu ye wo Gasouth mensine no mu anyway jakpawe mensine no afate wo ho so a waya sansem mu enhwehwe mu
wasansem wo ya mu nso ntino Ghana National Association of Teachers say na atefo nso say yehwe aban ebo no homode se humasua ebegyane na so no won bambo mu nsam nso aban ne hwe se behia won chochoro ni Thomas Musa ededen semi etudwa
eni hia nyiska nkwa eni hena penyifo kan so ni peni begu ase no sikene mungu ase enti kwan bia ye be fa so ai de be bombo fra no ban no ese no wo hia ye enye se be twen na mo frɛ no omko mu krechia na yakwa akotena se ne Yesu I am not in for that ma command 10,000 ma command 20 no please no life is not for sale there is no amount of money that you can give that you be commended say about friend who ye no I am not in for that one. Prevention is better than cure.
Owie ye eno saika de so asese aban enhwe so obepe life jacket e de ama adesuafo a wo mo ete nsuo ensa aseso sebeye a sa atore yenchem ye si ye ebi ensibiem
we nan se ye na si ye o ada ebi si ye sene ebi si ye ada ye twa ma se ebi o mo se si e ma ya sa kwa ye donation sene ye nkwa na hia enti nkwa sem na ye ka no enispe enti no kwan bia yebetumi dia boss ankwan ho ban no mofra no nkwan ban no ese bo mode ya na ye some radio say normal say business as usual mofra na enko ride omo sa kanu enekika ono should be a thing of the past, and we are calling on the powers that be to do something before things get out of hand.
Abemu ya wonya mfie du emienu oni dinde Justice Akako Mensa ene nipa bi ekum no eyi ne techrema afrimu ewa masaman abo na we no si kwasiada anopa make say obatan woni Adom TV kase edi nkomobra abna pokua ahwene ekoho
ka oku mebebia melenyindi oyinindi akakonya hwe mebenya hwe ozi onyina obeye soja nti omo ye ai kali ade ya makopa miama na omo shako ma mi o sha mebe hu fe kama ade na moya misa moya akakosa akakwa ya modai ma na mosuma no sa mo agba no hopo se eboku mebe ama azi mom nsu mesi omo yi ni fridge ni mu kra mo mo fa ni befie omo nkwasi no asa na omo abefie omo ndene ba obaba na msu mawuda
mato akakoni o akako squat ani wa yegu ba besi ya ko franka kwa ba ma na be sin niama enu ane na e digina ha ne uhu de ya akakwa uhu sa akakwo na dawe ya twetwa ni party sen na ma akakwa uhu sa akakwo nie uhu sa akakwo ni akakwa rade ba bi bia na akakwo wo
oh akakwo nyankopon enchire ni to me this ayao ano na ya mi ya no ayao obata ya
ye ko fie amane abusua de bɔ ne sɛ omuku akako no ɛna mo kyekye no hyɛ bɔtɔm aya ɛna mo yi akako ɛde ne to ya ye kasɛn o posifo nsɛm amane ne kyɛ sɛ ɔmakye nipa bi a wɔn ɛne ɛyɛ justice maame mo ebofi pam ensusue no ɛne sɛ wɔn nim ho bi posifo ɛyɛ mu ɛhwehwɛ mu abina pokoa ahweneɛ adom kaseɛ
obi belo ka o ko mebia meleyi ni
Adom TV Badwam kaseɛ na oguso ɛhwɛ no yɛtoa so de makɔnsɛm foforɔ mu na protoa track operators nso wɔn bu afu pa wɔn a ɛwɔ awutu Senya West East ɛne Gomua East na ne nyinaa ne sɛ ɛnɛ yɛso lodu anka kane 20 cities they say deɛ 100 Ghana wɔn dwen ho a wɔn nte ase ebi ne Adom kaseɛ ɛde nkɔmɔ yi
first day etua 20 Ghana ulodu ane waji VAT aban deɛ waji o mines way bill after so first day etua no 20 cities they say this city say oji 100 Ghana 90 per trip obi dia a watwa nie camera mo ntwa mame 90 eti multiply by one trip bia be ko bi obetua 90 Ghana nti uko 10 a ubetua 900 Ghana cities adai tua ni say ya dwe ho a nti ase ni because me this you know they have me say who see who person break 8 who answer na muka say we are not in normal time amra ye wo mu so nye ema 8 na who see person break na dia who ye you better no break 8 no
enwachi ena abedwafo titire ne ya woda Proto Tipa Drivers Association ano Benjamin Ankoma ekire se sisi assembly for pese wo mo ese wadwuma wo ye wabra won fa adwuma bi anso ento ho ema wo mo enya de obepene
na se wo onya 5 trip every day na aka 20 cubical na se utua 5 million na me bisa DC omumye no ne aban se wonim fa so dodo a eba nipa wa ansa na wage VAT 5 million na 100 Ghana a day sasika no eni yadwuma num
woni nyina mu na Adom kaseɛ ebo primansini krachi yo wa wutu Senya West Joseph Eidu ene Gomua East mensini krachi Solomon da kokwam ene wo mo atwetwe enkomo
interest in the kura no fund no chairman no ye won akasa won association no won chairman nti ihe ye aboafo na onya da yi ochina amemmenyi ho a na owo for community development a oboboa ye nyina ye mensini
say ko cantonment na other markets economy sabe obi field obi no
Human Rights Organization Amnesty International Ghana senke beya Parliament Death Penalty Act na de nko mu nyi free ho mu kire mu Adom TV edeba
Government of Ghana to reflect upon the findings of this report and take meaningful action. We urge them to reimagine a justice system that prioritizes rehabilitation, address root causes of crime, and ensure the safety and well-being of all citizens. Let this report serve as a clarion call for justice, compassion, and progress. Together we can build a future where no life is taken in the name of justice.
What in some etudwa ewie Mrasha bejani owo Madina Francis Sosu enso editudwa se anamuntu a oman Ghana ebetu ama emra eda omanfo ebu omakunfu no ebefiri ho no empenifo a womo edi enim no ena ya konsidie e wo saa anamuntu ehu
wo hwe ye death penalty ho nsem ya ni enti a ye ntumi entu ho anamo the lack of leadership esan say ni enti am ka say the lack of leadership ni say wo hwe every 1991 Ghana ka say obi biara or death row no ye be commute ni nyina to life sentence. By 1993 ye ko nipa be 7 enti wo hwe ye ni ya akwai said ya ye nye consistent about no issue of death penalty.
No, so na Paramount Chief for one Chumuru Traditional Council War Cratching Chumuru Mensinimu Wotino Nana Odrimpon Kenya Otosumiunu Nana Nesri Mampeni and Abedi Chido Nina se Ombeshe Bombi se Wamo Ebeyo T Bridge se be a nea and an Ekasa everybody I would name on the Adom Cassie Atwaso.
The man is a MVP my idea. A fast school, Mpadadia Nidio. Nanso Oma Diano. Omo nso nka omo sika ntemtem wokwa aduane akoda ne di no enso wonom efse sika no enso ema no omo no aduane no omo nya sika no ntemtem ndi to da bi ohia ndi omo no aduane ankokumu anankropo aka ho asa mesra ba se momma sa sika no muntu a omo no aduane mesuku nkwada no
nano siye no eho ana district chief executive eye DC owo krachi Nchumuru akwesi nkruma enso de tudwa se enye no krese bridge omampani abedi chire entimi anya no enu ti no wantimi ama afashe no
enye ferie quarantine amba enye ferie na nsem bi na be twa kwemu migidi se dia president ashebo no ansa na aban be kwa wiye no na omunye kro mbe sha se mini se omo abaye feasibility studies no enti se si aka ayi funding source no bebi ombenya sika beye no eno na aye bed sa nyoma ya IMF ni nyoma ye koso no ama aban atwentwen so kakra be present de ye frɛ no Nana Adodankwa osi ade a oyo
Ghana Productive Safety Net Project and so at the motorbikes 28 I'm a Northern Regional Minister so one na ne mensini no mu no one cheche sebeya wadwuma yum ebeko hariso amao.
This in Oti region, 3 in Savannah and 9 in Northern region. We are happy that we have this opportunity for additional motorbikes being supplied to the participating assemblies.
Oswafo no ene wo not mpatemu nina Alhaji Shani Alhassan Shaibu enso ede nsemse na tudwa.
I want to appeal to the various assemblies to make proper use of these motorbikes and to also use them for their intended purposes. We all know that our people are looking for better ways of alleviating poverty. We can only do that if we collaborate very well in these programs.
Northeast Gonja District Chief Executive Mohammed Musa Tindo a wono energy motoi edema o manfue enso nsem odi tudwani.
Motorbikes and also present it to the beneficiary districts for implementation of safety nets too. So on behalf of the Kamali Zone and the Northern Regional Coordinating Council, I hand over to the Northeast Gonja Municipal Chief Executive.
Thank you.
Me engineer so na Adom TV Badwam Kasia no pay na hala bema kwan na ye de sie radin fa nkomra sum dwe brana so se okọ munyuma so na de adu so no de bonkrata no wa ba online so a ebi egu ha say join your live bi mu Facebook/Adom TV se ben so ejina na so emu akwaba
wajoso
ebi aboko
oh ba papa bibia kama na mufri na ekwe ayi ampadu ufro ho kani a se ebia asumesi papa bi abeni no kani di kwa de Linda papa bi no ko yete Linda bolsa afrakuma papa bi e basa o timi so no wa deche bibi as bibi to no so kra afia papa bi mamichi papa bi na o de so uni bi wo botom nti de obetima ya se so be krokro omo no mo asare tie
ma le se nye kuntan bia tu e bi no awe ni
sa na tie nkofo bibi gije se be se me to plane esaso 8 comma there bi obo so bu da ko fa la fa the form to the akrokro ne kasa dani bu na me ma ne bitimi no mo yerenim dodo akrokro kasa de now the bu ni di ma yan tia ba te se o ya slave
Baby wani kuru pie fie ho a me se no wa do say from o he de ko kasa o muna na be ma na kura o muna ma say bibi to from that na oni sika oba na ebusiefo ana baby e bompa ya je ba ono no eti bonkoso ana be bompa ya se ni kunu ma na sika se mu nyina ma na djuma nyina tisa aje ba on pese yedie be ba busuanim na ba de bia da okọ nkotodwa nim presa woni be banyam na abekọ nkan upie wa na jato ho makola market obia hu baby offer bia ni nkafie edi mpa ya na se nkura na kura ka ze tukwan mafie tukwan o show ba sum ti se de woni panyimu na ekontokwa na wa we correct u de abufu timi di twade si ubayem na wanya sika akwara no 8 years na ono no the problem dey way
no ono na kwa safa
asem no kra no
so one out ne buy ntu katu coat according to your size wa wo bebre unsi sika
no uni sika uzo akwara no o bona suma o ti chan
tasa de bi anya abufu okra na dia akọ no so
wa ba o TV ka kra he nti ladi be ofi o nyina akwara na TV problem ne buy why
pressure na no dey
the manage pressure mr pressure do na so ye fama ye hu
ye ne ya
pressure do na asumasi koye party it mean me ye party be se be chere se be sum me ya ma ye hu se party ni aye o ye chere wan
ada na wo hwe
o ye chere wan
oni me bi onya ne die free
ye wie me ko body kwa no ko fast ma be asem no
do lame hey do lame my dear
na lane ni ho a ena me lane ni ho a anka odu tema high 6th lane 5th lane 4th lane the lanes ne bia ne je ye
sa bia ne bia ko
no
untime nkofa ayi valco na unkopie unkofa aflawo kwan
edi asem ni
wa yira kwan
mesre enne ye my ho pressure too much du lane mu ye di twa afi nyina ye my ho pressure bebrebe aba esu nyina e ka ye de nyoma ensem fata ye de so nyina ya na ye pe de ye so. You can't compare Thomas Abibaya what day cameraman what day to me. That now is a comparison. Hey,
Adakra.
What does it Sam?
What's it and then wechi?
A bufu sem cause I can make tin ni wechi.
We need you many baby. I want to.
Timislamo.
Abrese.
Debi e ba ni e kan kan sia. Mesro en ne baby ani ho ajo. Enko calculate se baby ajo.
Sir.
Baby ani wajo de wo kosu a che no ono de sono kra no nemu akukudro no anya na osre di biribia da you fi say bibia ya okay so you have no idea
wo ho na ebo no enyame pe
asem no
tie so osre nipa na esre pa ba wo bekore de mo che hu se
you me say eni o ma mienu afia di wie di ulemu and you have no idea di ulemu and you have no idea obi nya waye yesi emusuo ntia ebe ntia se be huna no asoa enioma wontimi nsoa nko na wosoa enioma wontimi nsoa ukoye wedding wan kasa wedding akoye ya no mo amoji dama tusire uni veranda aso koye ade uwie ya wedding no de akwasi yewu akwasi chum de yewu akwasi chum be ye omo nye sa kind of parties in weddings no eno na komna santino waso aguru se me ne kosi chumi ya pe o men be bia
nti me hwe obi why
o source of income you are within one source of income obi wo thousands of sources
but unim ni nyina nti
unim o multimedia ntia oka utwefa obosa ye ka akoka bi fa kakra na so ho kakra so obinya asase o ka so on baby a na opija ne kakra enko mistake enko ka say obi e wo the next age no ono ye we enti no hey wa men ka adwadifo no yesra mo amoso ye tete car ebo so ne tete fango bo so a tomatoes ne de ye try ento ne tomatoes no tomatoes ye try ento
ni nya adoa no
ye try ento
na mango ba ko
mango
ba ko
adwadifo no dodo anso buye dodo omo hwe anim buye papa na se wonam fom kra na oto de different na ye mu bi na ye fusu sa wasa na esa kuta ka agese no wo sa di upaki zoom was o dia woso
eno no nante ba ho
ba be bantam kra no
mira majo
na se we aye wantie o aye wantie
that word no be obi kan yesterday
ye husu ye kodwoma we no be fa no me say but only about nampe and the draw there for 150 hey afuni be ma me nkofo edro only about 150 no hu I do and am ya na cause problems in my home ya na to want to spend rubber no e be the 120 e be the 130 e be the 95 e be the 110 omu gara makaje we Burkina there no we Ghana there local there 95 there na permit me the normal mesraw iti we nyina no e management ukodwa so a ukuta 200 afa to so na ode susu free nioma onko free aduane kwa na yaba aka so aduane de komba free anye papa nioma hu hianko a entuma ko twi kobre ma nyina wo free abisi ene
so won she ni nyina
on she bi kra
onso ni
kapre
ska fund e fine
kapre
afa na wo fefe
kapre
so ye investment ni
kapre
ade amankwara no so de na wo bre wo pese o man
yes omkomoni enti wo sacrifice kakra
sa tini me bi wa no ate so ate so
ekuo bia odom ekuo bia na otwe bia omo te omo 100 50 ekuo bia odom enti buso be beso no na ekuo nko anto akra watu akra no eno nko na be 1200 cedis oba extra classes no 300 ya twon sa ekuo ndi na ekwe engagement naming ceremony funeral there is a kwa we bia we bisa eno na yode
me ya na ayifo no artisans for no crown ya na hia me so ya me ka cho say mason for no sika no eba
say omuso dudu onu omuso dudu na no omuno mo sika kra change na ba omo chire omo change bia
so onhu sika no because by day oje 100 cedis they say kwa 120 a day 120 and because oje ne ka sa ni to ohunu say wa ye bosom ye adwuma no wo sika sen ba 120 a day calculate bosume e ya he
omo jinsu a bi no mu enye kwa dodo na akra no sa no pa mo pe ma
yogurt di ensu
sa omo pe aduane bi o medi o mantemo
kan hwe this is ntwam koso ya no obeto
we enyimire na sa
ice cream ni brodo kese
enama etutu okwan che ni sa na manam sa nkofo no
to obetina ni na asa but wo say ni pay a day 120 now the every day you 20 no krampo to na 100 no fa short but who say sika no who say yeska but onim say wo a woje bosome akwatu adwuma for ye brepa o sika ni sha se se ye bubu enti munya careful adroba fo no ni ade munya sika pa but ayo also sika ni sha munkra obi munya bi ento ho na motumi de ahwe nkoda no so wo na wo ye driver obado so be driver crowd with a different so what you say and carpenter tete carpenter any ne carpenter for o kapra no yes and so wo mu tete carpenter no abofie nkunwanom ne wardrobe bi ne but ne furniture whatever furniture hwan with glass wo mu crowd mu share glass wo mu friends warehouse I don't showroom carpenter first to say be a security watchman na you can security and then only me ko nani nti din bia na wo frɛ no kan na wo fa nya
front desk executive
you understand nti adwuma bia it depend dey na American no mate for omo adwuma no pasa wo mate wa sori nyankopon aboa wa mo sori afiu kete so no wa dress ye no ti wa dress why ne bebu anim tia
na mate na mu atade e hye no pejane nsa problems in ko na ba
enwini amoto manopa no pa wa moto mu hye ne na situ
basa
why ne bebu o bie na no mu awuntimi nyina
afa sokodua anopa o fa passes chisa no
na untini panipa no mu na de ade e metan kra na no anim ha ya akwabra ni bi pe o ti fa na we mframa na
go pam na gu so
nyame hu obi amobu no obi enye condition ka na ya waru because what tie gu ba gbenkra enti ne e wo tissue wo card mu no bibi sa no ate atum no akekere na ade atum Let to one more pig mountain. One year careful and a good car. Tan.
Yes, someone I said nano dano.
Dear life for
Nano dano. A fiesta junction. Traffic ni slow down. Them say papa no sour. We be bullet to see. Papa chama.
Anytime. We don't move on to identity. Ya mumma hu ni dey sane man.
Na hu ni dey your problem.
We adwuma wo ye wo respect no and obi be respect wo. What dress ya tie obi na obi hia na obi sa na aha na wo ba. Ha na wo ba. Dress money suit no matter the adwuma wo ye. Dress kama. Tiri hu nas bibia fine. Obi ehu a ode ani de ani buo be mo. Adroba for no ne obi a. Enyo hu ayi sa me dem ye driver ni na tade tuntum ba ko no brown a black and nko we shoe ba kuya because we a driver. Ade we a driver.
Na boxer shorts kwa de fia ma no ya de share ase de. E man de ye for more. Boxer shorts.
Onya black.
Optimization na ma akoma ba aduasa.
Ebe.
Boxer shorts. Oni obi tina public transport na can heat wo mu na hu say normal free system no ba say. Idea asem ne pen say. Yen ka say sika nya bro so ansa na wadi woni o. Oba ko na akora no. Wash and wear and cry to do copa.
Sini ye nya obi dia to no asashe.
Ma wa butu. Boxer shorts they be bi omo dia so anya me na me ma kwade e.
My hard pain. Mo sino so muntwi. China no pa ne anwumre. Ahwe obi ase hanom a you can't. Ade.
Anope me da se edidi anope.
Say cry hu ye. Enya de bia wo sesam no. Ba ko no. What you show. Why na kama. Decent. Ushu wow. Na no abroni bia na ogina kwa no. Nam se mu enya fort. Om kro mu nyina. Om de ye. Papa bwa ayi sneakers papa bia se na hu fi. Am se mo so de. Oba kama fefefe bi o. Broni nam se. Ya mo sa. O ye ya no afeche. Sa mpaboa se ye mienu a wo akro ba ko de ato ho 3 days bedroom se na wo no asa so sa
okay so if you akasepi mesma kasepi and now pay the here ni ya tete lorry fare so it take effect ne to the abo driver for na fa change scale mu e wo form kakra because 50 ni 200 that's ana the attempt ne kasa and fatano even though a responsibility of the driver and the mate is say once you nim sa no e so mo pesa ansisan to so mesremo ana pay me pesa e beti na la paso ana madina ana awoshi ho no ana we ya yes to kim there be e nyini da de bia dan sa chira ba lorry film aye kwa be 2 weeks prepare didi e ho atem ni manage association enya nko anu association manage association kakra Nsema wo do atojo de boka che.
Betom na ye World Hypertension Day.
Oh good. Anyway they carry headline kra me yepon a ke be boy.
Mesrem bi an check it. O check will be pere na unya chance a ye benya.
It me fa to ya no say ye de bi bia ye okay, bi bia ye okay.
Wo na wo de o ye okay, wo hu say ye koba. Ba so wan check ya sa o ye silent killer. Obeku simple. Obo okra na nam no ko. Then one day na mo da na wan so ati ase.
Ya bayifu okunu.
Na ye de ahye bayi na. Anya bayi check hu BP status. Hu a wo hu se de obe manage wo be 24. Se bia ntin mu a block ya strade na no wate so. E bia meka sa age we so what yet se me nya fe na be we na market. E no American go se. Nya fe o monye scan wo very am. Enti momi ehwe na obi an check ne de ukọ pharmacy shop o twa 1 cd ni a check de amount o cholesterol ne o bp ene o sugar uhunu sa ne ma miensa we e be bo pa ma uhunu se de wapom de ho na wan nante ya nya exercise we ye no a man de nya me o de nkwana maye akasa nso be ye ofam de enyina ye mo ye ho o se obedu nkwana na amen.
Okay, so the Abrema acquiring some other to the Democrat daily guide say hand over car court order side chick. Was bank in and escosini Macone Deborah Serum Adabla. It also cried Udi ye. If you are a court and now the Kaya Banao de Futura is a court as shall say Modia for can be so compim say Ibidiasem they be enough Bibiaco to ye. Animal special prosecutor former president say ono na Frank atu former NDC Amanyoko no sika o de ma aye delegates no 40 million over 40 million Ghana cedi was say JHS girl electrocuted and also no phone you know hanum say oh and Otum 4 chases stolen Asante regalia in UK. And what's the publisher say, beware of Mahama, MPP warns Ghanaians, and Galamsey fight. Attorney General speaks out. And then they find that the Democrat as airport company locks out GRA tax force. And court convicts man for defrauding missile energy of 27.9 million Ghana cedi. And no dance be told ya, Georg staff no, bra ira a yaku fi juma ya so sako, no akoto na juma so nsem bebre wo ho ma e pay free mo de ba nti wo ma 3-day ultimatum so ma hwe no ma to tom no ma mo nkomodi na ndi mo we pay on be hardware. The Chronicle say, appeal against fraudulent appropriation of $80,565. Court orders UBA to deposit $60,000 and sign on what to. And then Lands Commission defies minister's order over sale of ISD land at Kanda. And Anyone who say, Jinapo assures graphic will implement stakeholders dialogue recommendations. And once I'm not there. And then the work out there, bring my home question from if you will be well for the quicker.
Adomonline.com, where you can war, you can see anymore. Life jacket and omni boat. I was a penny mood, so now crowd. A baby omode aqua school, no, a babuanti. Adomonline.com, and also Nedia, and no, NDC, or say God is not biased like a local chief.
Muntakazo Casa. What do you couldn't maybe a
work as here. And no, and what some no, na fe ukuje to a black expose is affecting National Cathedral.
Maybe obium
fundraising. And one no. We are checking the BP and one here.
Okay. And BPD,
we are checking, but my man in yen kwa. Oh, what? I'm a man to be our hand. We check here beboa.
Okay.
Beboa pa.
I
would you some at wasso, Mamboat Mabeba, or Mahudo, or Semidika. And so, nothing person what was so, but if you didn't go so, and aha,
about Adom TV, so Adom TV, so Badwam media said I can see some pine second and open Suja meeting the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good year catch back. The only nomenclature the professors agree in sports, the Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and Messing Kunyana Mekono Quantum Coordinates some outdoor second and open so our Ghana good year 18 Jow. Channel Swam said Numakumi and Sa Omnabums graduated men and opeding common 18 bar. One expert I've always told you that betting there is better than Saka, what trying before didn't before trying to Kumabia, who didn't Kumasa no Manum Tabu said the Japadim says Kaukoja Champagne Yahe, wait me Tebria Coton, the Ketua Kojekasi, birthday, so trying to before, who didn't before trying to Kumabi, so I didn't Kumasa no Manum Tabu. Motiada, so try betting so that you bet at home bet with money that you can afford to lose. Jeffers Mr. Ruth infections a do gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, wife it and asudi ponachua, on Satimika Jeffers, a dress with Yabua, and Maniama etian to 2 year at the amount, Okoheba shops, the pharmaceutical shops in Emoa, on Sabitia Jeffers, wetian to be Abua, and Maniama out 2 year. Sedimo gel and roll on. Your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas bepi monasino, ya can you dear Druba Ku to a siano, or more than that question, my market to be or temanso, and yana hokra, ubetia from 1 penny for so to be a cotton, and I say, what turn out there, hono, 0208219129. Now on a Sedimo gel and roll of phone penny phone so, you can come away from what a maniama 822 year and from a pomodon se wemo, and sponsors are more air touch aboa, and my idea we can see one senpai and sack and open so, obey media so 8 me a jow. Made the Enoch. Kwesi Walanyo Wallace a good catch back up and a medium de Sanchez so great message. Yes, every crown and there I will quite near call Songo stick. Now feeding Kumahudu or so 8 message. Hello, Songo. Hello, Songo.
Fantastic morning. Say be able call Professor.
Namia to be able call.
I say, yeah. This area, a do me take. What you here? Now, and then, I would love say, I mean, you better be to say, to what extent has the sports ministry under Mustafa Yusuf contributed to the development of sports in Ghana? Before that, over a year, World Amputee Football Governing Body, Omode letter about out to say, a year Ghana National Paralympic Committee, Omo recognize Omo believe say Ghana football amputee Oma Juma to a world governing body fashions be an saying nipa bia no mo fi say I'm putting football here omo dia Ghana hano. Omo believe he said they are not going to deal with them, but they are going to deal with the Ghana National Paralympic Committee. Inti mejitum me foaso world governing body no mo ayadiama sa Matthew Macau we nyina to ebitwa. And moving forward, you know, yeah, the better development of sports. And your first sports ministers go and busa say just the taxpayers' money in the DTO Boka and more levy okay as sports ministers, and I say almost develop your football, any other sporting disciplines. You understand? I mean, your sports, let's put it that way. Football, boxing, hockey, wrestling, those just other sporting disciplines. Yeah, sports ministry on how well and me it develop it sports, because even your games are Olympic Sports Stadium you understand? The Olympic Sports Stadium and moreover, me sports minister with a clear cut policy direction it develop sports. You understand? I mean, you should have a policy document here. I mean, reference. We can be referring you, say, via sports ministry, sports minister, just say, more a document via more develop it, sports. But I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that because I quite to say, I mean, the various sporting disciplines, games, course, but attention to the blasters over at various national sports stadium. I mean, how well no maintenance coach and see a coso a sipon say Oma allow a sipon mana rotate. I basa you understand. So me why say you was sports ministers and I see a first sports minister na who development be a sipon sports stadium. I mean, no maintenance coach be or the various national sports stadium. Papa be you understand? You need a Olympic sports stadium. What facilities nina for sporting facilities nina 90 Olympic sports stadium nano. You see a baby who see all African games. You intimia who see the 2024 Olympic stadium. You be seen no. You intimacy. You the second perform. Say we baby see Olympic sports stadium. Sikano way. Intimacy, but he was sports minister. You understand? I mean, man, share a sports stadium umusi wo because says he can say I mean nothing is going on. Share sports ministers here near Omoba as sports ministers are Omo ya ni say be the ball but you here Olympic stadium you here say facilities are as sports ministers mobile bit me developing sports no very important. I mean you see Mustafa making a semi under the regime to see before we take you over near Ofio Esiama Ofio na about 10 sports mini complex and OCC. By this time, Omajai, Omontuaso, Oma Bandi at the baby qua. Omontuaso. If the band is power games here, baby, or say athletes, no, a movie for maybe a transport stadium to another sports stadium to another sports complex to another. Just say you need one particular place, Olympic stadium. You bit many all that sporting facilities will. But in the blasters, football, and your football. I just want the sports ministers, no, any sports minister, current one in tears saying football, because under no sports minister, you see, you call blasters matcha, you disclaim in our call winning, your Korea will have come, your South Korea will World Cup. I will treat a cigar in the council, train Edema, a blasters management committee in Kofoa, or visa, or Akoka Ghana, Wami Ako, Afcon World Cup. Nina says, can go waste, Nina Korea. You understand? You hear that Olympic sports stadium infrastructure development of sports, no, and yet only football, over Ghana. black maidens under 17 yabande 2 continuous tournament and yadi adana you beat me ade akobi because of age cheating again as sports minister na kan fa ho say you develop your sports which I say a man that 17 plan yabande again as sports minister na kan fa ho. I'm just saying say any kwanza o sports minister for state kekena o je taxpayers money yi tua o ka na say bia wodi wani hwe football nko a ye sports development because any football nko any football nko any ye e wo Ghana ha ye sporting disciplines need also but ye need ko any blasters because yes blasters no and the bema sika ba ye de ko afcon ye ko we say minister nyani sika so called football people in Musika, you call World Cup Akata, you call Minister Yanisika, so called football people in your Musika, but Nina, you football in Puntu Bia, moreover, so other sporting disciplines. I also see a set, you bit me developing Nagana sports, no, I am fantastic, you know. I mean, ministers never no mudi ball a chinkua, but development, you know, infrastructure is about me a boy. I mean, you be maintaining a sports stadium. You be making sure you be that Olympic standard now. Almost all the sporting facilities, disciplines, and be beer women. Also, women need a first hadiano. The only women DH said the national blasters. As woman the eco tournament, Mustafa the eco Afghan yare or the eco World Cup yare. But taxpayers money to what? Much heavier saying waste. It's your World Cup near Ska as sports minister. A dear also what we echo. Sao Olympic Stadium now you think you also see near the hosting all African games. Need me boa Ghana. Ne boa man ye athletes no and then also more other countries, even neighbor countries here, you know, Africa. Big Olympic sports stadium. Myself, make I say Mustafa, former sports minister in this town. The Congo, DR Congo, omu be Olympic sports stadium. Me can be in a boy. You say it's a Olympic sports stadium, omu be anwa, the big continuing sporting discipline. The sports ministers, no, and Mustafa, no, the sports development near bad. And also, it me why the first sports minister, you funny keke. Okay. Matters PS money in Sepa. Prof, Nyami Aduma 1 PM a this year of fire for fire.
Okay. Patrick Wasaji, my country man Songo, and I'll tell you, Songo steak. Yede ebro no edi kan hye wase da se eye adwada ukoda na efieda no pa bia no ehia o kensi so sei na songo steak ebetimi abaso ntia na we hye tempa so se bia o sabetia kan komoni bi ne e mede praprachi kwa no eye UEFA Champions League no a akensi ba kwetwen start of my semi final clash Inter Milan echi AC Milan, the battle between the Milans no ekwa 1-0 against AC Milan. Me no ka say die Inter Milan accuse you to the finals of the UEFA Champions League. It was 1-0 on the night and Ohuma Nyame Adomene matches no san to so kwa sempa 94.7 FM Adom 106.3 FM the live commentary by Nonson 7 near Sim Kunya de Sabre na Man City and Real Madrid and the Akensi 18 years Boston team show and na wadwani ntem 1xbet na fe fast mixture ne steady more gel and roll on one more and a touch the boy men and open so dia we can see one sempa and saka timi jawo within the Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch back up and I'm chinamudi of course evidence based representation timi jawo Radent anima on your case you for being the Sony now on found could be so the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
Many dance on Yina new. Am I? Mwana mwenye bokoro mo masadi aba.
De kodwa kwabua. Ninye senior kra o me middle age.
You see?
Senior no enemy papa.
Sir.
Me papa the master Bob Kwabna Akwabua.
Master Bob
Kwabna Akwabua. Ono any penny ono enemy papa. Ono na owo me owo Kumasi for inshirafo nyina mechia mu nyina ti me kan inshirafo nyinam se obia 8 ɛhɔ ɛna ɔno te ne band Aquaboys band eti ninyum bebre ebi ni nkran ha ninyum bebre ni nkran ha no enyum mo bɔ no ke sɛ wunimi ahwembe na konkon no mbɔ no nkran asa
no kre
asa enti ɔno na ne ba ne me ɛna
ebisama it's a life well lived Aquaboa senior Kojo Aquaboa senior na da yenya ne nte de oyaza Nyankopon aton sa afre nti menye woka seizi onka atasefo asasi ho mizineze mami boate makwa basonko ba ahosepe na oyare ho some starting on oyare go smooth nti no anepe ye be hye ebusuan ni nyinara ye be hye won zan ai ye condolences onko ma ebusuan santin ni nyinara tu Aquaboa kobna nyame ncheche wore ye nyim do yezan so no nyame ka ho during this time ai ye ho suma papa nti no mami free honom na menye won cheche nkomo bi mfa hajia for real ho bo hwa abey there 2 days ni she's been the talk of town obiara kan hajia for real nasam na nizran kasa ye mona Faiz Montrage izin nankasa nye na za orukodo enye de oyaza New York Post no ye hu de why publication bi na ehwe publication ma oyaza US State Attorney nankasa na wankasa won statement was about no ocho de raba no oyaza wakafune free UK ebeke de okọ Ghana Music Awards wo UK ama oreba no was okaya transaction bi ma watcher no wo ho no was a fraud case na wo hwehwem into no since akọ UK no menyo kese onto mumba Ghana oyaza watcher no wo ho no ma bi no mo chimpo do oyaza anklet bi dana na was monitor no GPS anklet na yeguda yerehwem ma na yenhu dem posti oye Monday no na yakankan za owo newspapers ni mu aza watcho wo munyinara mo bo no tofa kakra na mza mo na zo menye de wo chire mu de wa bafa no from UK zna ko US okọ court on Monday no wo Manhunter na issue ni ginara nye de oyaza abrofo no wozu won enwa ezechi wa monitor iyi no from 2013 so na che de 10 years ngi na why won investigation we hu de oyaza wa form some enterprise why the company enya na nkotin godos papa West Africa hade sino Ghana food binum African countries binum so why the syndicate into no link to na za wa yenye de wo fraud nkofo especially one ma wo single and lonely no Americans na one worry older men and paying no one worry no into no why the romance scam tiza wa yenye da wonye wo hyehyɛ dem wonye wo hyehyɛ ho wa love say ni meye yento ye yekoto fam wa ha ye dey wa ha na wa gisika no nti no sika wo hwehwɛ mu no wo cha da we bezi haja for real honum no about $2 million o ye sika kakra papa na so what you know so want you know ye hu there oyaza we release press statement under that na in the press release no haja for real no press release and that oba out no ye frɛ ye hwehwɛm there na what's your raba no watch no na won so work kaka da won chini what is happening there and na wo chire me da oyaza hu the bloggers ni bi no mo work da we jail no for 10 years on no kwar na ba no hu nsam se me man kasa personally mo hu ni da obi areka da we jail no ba za matinye there se wo hwehwɛm na za kwedo wazuru boni nyinara no so oye no kwaran kotinza she stands there obotum na wa jail for 10 or 20 years because ehwe counter was ama no ye nkokokokro 6 mamohwe da motum na mabobo bia ma wa was a conspiracy to commit fraud and a wire fraud money laundering conspiracy and a money laundering and a conspiracy to receive stolen money and a receipt of stolen money. Nti counter was abono no oye nkokro 6 say wo hwehwem na say obanda oye guilty which nankasa we plead not guilty to any of these counter na so be show but za oma oye nyinala akometu onye there US government pa there police fo bo hwehwem we be so mu wa kire wo ze na oche there why one investigation say one investigation tight won kita evidence papa bia won so mu them one say that Ghana for when had days no anytime you go to police need to stop no show come but honom say what chere wa dem was ma wa chini ya ya to the what's there or one antinin chan or antinin chana one monitor no with GPS anklet na na sure there or as our evidence no years no papa nti no hajia asama ba obia obibi kan wo ho asam to wa ni ihu wa tanfo ni hu adofo ni hu won ma wonyim wo sen wala nkasa mpo wo ho ehu nti no in this times yen shada yen hu no kolo wom but za yen information a yen sa esomenyen nti no say watch no na say watch na so no kwaran kwoteza na so ba ye hyew pa nti no be hu information kaka bi go social media yen ta bi na yen resisia
na wode mami aka agye ho mami na ye fe no confidence wona na mona ba UK ha watan nchen saa court bibia wone no confidence mona das wate wayade na yebo mona din nyina no wonso ka ho bi because UK ha enye easy so bi bejo na wagye since last year wagye nenete court asempe bi obeku bia wone no oyonko chewunua confidence wayade papa nyame nhira na confidence mo amonim no first no oyi club aphrodisia oye takun pa ni bi ntino se ye describe so atumo na tiri ho a ti so e wo se ye bilin kakra nsa na time na so amanako ne nya mo hwe confidence anim ti chale obi be ka se
so sad say like especially like Africa. We're a young lady and you are beautiful. People think that we are extra things for money, but then it's not so. And yet every young, beautiful girl have to sleep around to make it. Come on, there are hard-working women out here. Like, your looks...
Information warrior, so, hey, sister, no, I to the UK now. So no, I don't know, yeah, no man, what to catch no confidence, no to crown. Tomorrow could do confidence ni dem honum na if you honum nyinara no sister no onyim ni nyinara ono na ozaba botugo no na ehwe video ya na wolubo ya oya da all trend papa not just this video interviews bia why bia wakasa fa na hustle bia no oya za all trend tunko free bisa question no there it's not me yanyi na na dada heni I started business with 100 cedis I started business with 1 cedi won me won hu na won ye adwuma hard working it pays obi asamba susuka I me the best hade nti no ze ye beti wo haje for real ne ha asem biara no ye baba na ye ze be bocho na mo wo guest wo fidua yi mo nyo me wo nice minim so ye dance o to nyumo but minim no manage DWP wo USA dance with purpose minim say na you know that but me no bo hwehwe nkomo na I find out more because my me no ya nyumo so or fresh for US rebe atasa fresh from the fridge into no ya you know bo hwehwe nkomo but answer na no tie nyumi na ye bresisia okay crab but on chemudu ho atasa now so the biggest now our studio had they no manage dance with purpose USA K William my guest
I started it like I was writing Namitro music for dancers no I'm releasing my songs and I'm in it DWP collaboration back in 2018 into Nyomno Fire it went global a premiere war Romania's Got Talent TV crap also into Omo who said me serious about working with dancers no omo catch me said like trust us so with me and share some of our dancers over USA chapter 9 wo honom no it died down for a while until me one of almost senior coaches Showtime and also to USA honom started until within a span of 2 years we've been able to get 24 main dancers and then more people are more back for weekly classes monthly classes just to infiltrate, like to allow the culture to infiltrate the Americas, because as Afrobeat trend is very hot over there in the USA. Apart from music, no dances, no, there's a demand for it. It's a supply. Most of the artists bar, ABS, for example, King Promise by make open man, Metro Minium. Right after I'm in the dancers, I call backstage. I set one up ready for King Promise. So, Sana.
One can say, do you dance?
I used to. Now, one of the reasons I manage dancers is that Miss Swan and Miss Sapa, but that means you'll be a Badwam. And to me, who said I have the opportunity to do that, you know, I started doing it. So it's been very fulfilling.
Okay. Now, I can be there dancers, you're full soldiers of Afrobeat.
Yes. Dancers. So, Afrobeat, one of the reasons why Afrobeat trend the pan is dancers. Okay. Osha zone to send a zone to call global, put it on the map. No artists know what the data, but Asano be did, you know, they ended up leading it and pushing it. So dancers now, especially Osha TikTok, Osha Instagram, dancers now spreading them faster than even other forms of media.
Okay. Now it's a music so. Yes. As a son for a movie on Netflix.
Yes.
All America.
Yes, All American Homecoming. A show. Me Madam for be a picture and I'm fine. It was very big. It's still very, very big show on Netflix. So All American Homecoming. Yeah. Okay. I tried it also. Yeah.
Okay. Inti say pede yo when you more pede show social media. More handles na.
Social media. Kweku William KWEKUWILLIAM and any streaming platform K.William K William. Okay. Yeah, and now Benjamin.
Matter K William Madasi Papa Dan pay about two. Bahadi Nanka consider to do 2 lines. 2 lines.
Okay, mean 2 lines. Somebody thought that they love me. She calling me her one and only. My love give her more overdose. Okay, it better.
CBM Samuel Kwaba Adom TV Badwam na Ocean Mamboatama Sandra Kapo Yadamwase Papa Hosepe Mode Abreye de Edu so no Yabambedi enkomo hwese de apomudi mu nsam no etie enne wiase nyina da ye si ho kasafa hypertension ho bia nko cheke ne BP sede ne tibie no emutie entwen ma stroke nche wan san ya rasho no ne ade na ho odin uhunu status a obehunu sede obekra ho wadidie mu wonantie mu bibie mu obeye de afa nti enne obowra pharmacy bia bowram na ko cheke BP ne ntime mu a na stroke na doso enne mrantie ne mabawa enkranketo nyina enya stroke ha adwene yen cheke ye BP na uhunu ebeboa me wo midif mafo herbal center Dr. Penny Ewaha, Dr. Time Daso. Ene yene ne wabidi enkomo. Wo hwe ya pomudi mu no na doye ne niema bi a wo ye bo society ne oman no. Nyame ani so. Nti nyame so guso hira no ede na adwuma. Dog yamu akwaba.
Yeah,
na bibia boko de.
Bibia boko.
Bidi mafo nso hot say.
The kama.
The kama guso ehuru. Ye twen nyame ya adoma 21st September.
Yes, September.
I just say adoye no guso. Oh me kaipa. Say me media wo mu dey say
kaipa. For the first time mo enkanafo. Beju wo mu TV wo enkana heya.
Okay.
Yenko
Kumase. Oh okay, no yenyo Kumase. Be wa ha.
Ye be bi Kumase, ya ye bi wo Accra. Ba on said the time bia e Kumase. Ba we di enkanafo no. 21st September, the another doctor will be able to say, and can the baby so walk, Krum Haya, Krum Haya.
Yeah, can be seen or when Dima for the and 1 year, Obi Benya way, I don't want to chat at near manner. You hear me Dima for her back clinic.
Medima for her back clinic. A apomu, de bia, ye be true. Na Yanko Pond the Yali, so to me as a yensa. Now, what can say, nay pressure, a ye. Sama kakra bia na kese manye ni yi pressure ye yale ya ekum yen yi pressure ye yale bia de bia metaka se emonka yi
silent killer
ansa na uhu se wo pressure no na ede wo to na nanom wo ense do solution ni ba bia se enka de bia mekamese de ye de take BP no ne bo nya din 200 cedis 300 cedis efie bia di tin to bo amato baako akola frifin hie dunum ekosi di owo waha na ekire acha na otwubia na obi a cheke ne de na wo hu status ehu baby a akora be 25 years then the pressure number 200 because yale pressure yenya on say no say ene wo ye adwuma ma ade echen na wa na won check wo pressure na e wo soro enen so nipa mpe nante ye say anya hwe kora nko bi a ne ho odin onya de ese da ko wutimi nante be say 50,000 steps ba na kora 200 kora yen obi gina ha bus stop to bus stop na ofaka enti ama abribia no yeni apomuden tro ni ho yesan kotena office ya yensore ufiri ya no nwotwe waduru fie fufu banku mutu wadi wiye ya wada ubenya pressure otumuta ne betre ye pa ubenya pressure yeni ene kora nyankopon de man say yeni no onyankopon nim de ye no de ma obia ohwe ye kala ene o ma yeni ene ye kala ne fa ene de say yempe pizza ne niema ye kala enye ye de indomie na ye di enti na ma yare na aye bebre na se dane enmonyam ka nyankopon se abribia wo de nyankopon ye ohun se yare be do suntin wo de Dr. Tam da so aba na se de onyankopon ye wo medimafo heba clinic no eburo adwen ne ntiase so ayalefo na wo muni anidaso wonyina da wona na woni anidaso wonyina ababenya ayalesa wo medimafo heba clinic wona no wonim se wode won yade ekowuo mu nyina ababenya ayalesa adapa medina so akajo bibia se pressure ekum yade enti yem hwe yade die mu yie yen hwe ye na mu yie ema yen pa breza nyakopon bo day and night no daytime yen adwuma night no yenda yen ninia ne pa ebetuma boa yen susu nwi nam bebre na boa yen anwa no so adoso etima boa yen ama apomuden pa ye pa ma oma because omen bia se onse wahine kure so mi swami yale enti yele o ha wontimi nya bibia wadwuma wo ye bia yale ba wontumi nya tini yesi mi swaye yale woti yase enti enye se medimafo ho na wo kwakoye niam basa basa because me catch bibia sa onhwe na pomodin ye ena anopai medimafo heba clinic nyankopon adom ye kan yale sa papa medimafo nyeso obi beduru ho a yesi ebia titia ye free when yase ye malaria na enfidie bia ye de check yade ebi wo ho obi ko ba amako hospital be brain so me yale kula ye hunu ana me ba ha mo ono so say yale ne kan kire no eno pe na ye den ye no ana no papa bi de ne prostate by oba ye o say edu ba bia ye timi twa be ma no na yase ne de pipe ye de ato no wetimi adwo so afam okoye bi na oba na wo de ba no so doctor matete se mo de mo ba ye sewa na otwe nam so we na otwe ye beyi ye hwe ni wie ne ye ka gen se anko comfort be bi o mo hwe ne kan tom se Dr. Tam da so say wa hwe na wie roba no mo nyimfiri ho oko doctor so wo yale na yale e we ne ho se wo so wa hwe no mo pam no to ba na me yam de mensa e hye krata sa mo fa nkoma doctors no se bibia ni ho bi prostate na ye kama eno o mo gina ye de ma o mo so no mo yi ye so won tenase wotenase a sima ba miensa no wadwonso ena no wadwonso afedwonso no man no ba hospital bi wo say doctors no obi ato wa ba nanum say eye impossible onyankopon anim no bibia eye possible na me ka kire say yama ayalefo no woni ani da so wona na won ani akondem wonu na jese onyi ni say wo hu beto wo nyina ba benya ayaresa e wo medimafo heba clinic gi obi a wawuo ana yesie no epe no obeduru medimafo a onya ayaresa se umui na yensie na ye yare na hawo yare na tete wo a medimafo aba magana manyina ukoto na bi papa bi a ohu na mani akakenzo maame kane na medimafo ni ho na sa woda ho kasa minya yare sa na de onyankopon donfo o de Dr. Tam da so ababema Ghana man nyina sɛ obi biara ɔyare na wɔpa apɔmuden na wɔpa ayaresa adanse nkurɔfoɔ die ɛboro nipa adwen ɛne nteaseɛ so sɛ yarefoɔ mfa no yare ma hɔ nsa mfa nkɔfie biem poma na ma me ɛne kura wo na anɔpɛ wode ti medimafo no meka kyerɛ wo sɛ yɛhwɛ wo wie a poma no pa agyae because anano woman back when the doctor gidi amede bae no me spec net ampo woman is yi no spec net to ho net spec say e hye no mfie bebere no bo doctor we me mfa nko fie bi ono ayi de to ho o yi de to ho so wo koi o san ye dai e bae poma no ma mi gya no ho anopai hwe na wo tim no ma wo mpiansi dan na ya package is gum no wo medimafo no efi say ayaresa ba ma ena no pay say what do medimafo herbal clinic doctor me ka kire bebre nipa say eya na mentan fa nipa gidi anyahwe say wo die de say wo ngindie de me hia pe eye wana mo tu en na ye challenge ma me no mie no say wo tu ana mo beduru medimafo herbal clinic nkoa kumasi ebu akwa agwudi a nyankopon adum ti ayaresa ene fa hodie ebe ya wodie e wo ho obi biara opeso oba medimafo no uduru matike kasa aswe eye ba akopem se de nkrofo ye wo omemu no ye medadwene ho anano na tafo
ya time na so papa
okay mama fa ye number
no I was screen na se de na sa boss bi
mu number no ye 0244 774282 0244 774282 0500 727215 0500 727215 yenton yedro baby a obehu ye bi ba akopɛ ukun si yenton yedro baby ka say Dr. Tam that say yenton yedro awo baby a metropolitan magana police service say na no mu ye wotafo no mu nye biem fama me say mu hu ye a mu kwache nipa no adine ba ye na ole obi amfa kamra kumase ebu akwa agogo yalesafo ne ewurade na onam Dr. Tam that so obesaw ya
Michelle yada say Dr. Time that so medimafo herbal clinic na yete won mo enka no mame nkomra mo ba ko bi wo ho ye ba ene ye birthday no ye de beto so me da say me sam akwa ba bi me Adom TV bedwam na uguso ehwe no na me won komotew yi e wo ho beboa wo pa ne de technology ne de beba no ya nya steady ya nam a enti be kakra obi anam obeso ne dan o tu ko ya unya asase na na de asiso na manso bia to atwa na me wo Peter Afaro ewa ha say me ne di enkomo Serino Homes me mo akwaba Serino Homes a company ben
a real estate and construction company you see dying
oh okay but mo dance any different enti me pese me hu sunsun ye da pre-farm house any traditional housing and construction aye ka pre-farm housing na no ye de here.
Okay, prefab house no dan ye sino ye sino baby ansa ya be hye wo wasase ne so
aha nti bi na etwa go no okay we na kwa me say hunie nti mo si wo baby na mo hye wo baby ehunu say de dan ne te na mo de aba ayo nti any difference wo mu no te say tradition ne de ehọ na no mo ye no
ehọ na ye no eno na be be two form na laborers share blocks
okay
ene ehọ eyi no
na mo de mo nhye wo ho
there be ye de no oba na be pay o design na na ya manufacture or factory ho ye ba wasase ne so a na ya be hye within 7 days no 7 to 2 weeks no na ye wi o dynamo tene de enche kwa
digital dan ya enwunumu
o de bi enwunugu eja entimi hye no ensio enso ntimi nse no na in traditional one say that the light of the way mu hye no we dey mu cool without even opening the windows no we are solid yeah
I be lasted for 90 years no more say
years we dey 90 years in campo 150 years it will still be there. Wow. Say within 50 years, say who say bibia touch my crown bona free ya be ba be am free.
Eh, no boarding.
Oh, no boy den cry.
No, now digital we dey no board.
No, there this na prefab house no. Un say so far traditional house never say 400 prefab house say no or here say 200. We na Ghana cedis in dollars. Yeah.
Hey. Ti de mimi hia na masase ho.
Oh hia wasase. Na uni assassin so yen se betimi abo.
Okay.
Yeah, ne betimi ahwehwe bia ma my location apa. E be ya mo.
Nti yen si so bi materials be na mode eye mo adwuma no.
Okay, yeah, it's a technology. Some call it gypsum board, and gypsum board. But our own is engineered in a way say, eja intimation, heating, so insulation a woman emba a dino inside. You treat from the roof to the soil to make sure say woman they are actually. When there's light off.
When air condition you are.
Oh, you're okay. You're okay. And a beggar proof is also any. Your windows near double glazing, and it's a hybrid material. So it's open the crown part. It doesn't break. Yeah. Yeah.
When you blocks, na mode say.
No, Debbie.
Na mode dey say.
Yeah, the gypsum board, and it's an insulated product.
Hey.
Yes, carefully engineered for our terrain. Yeah.
It must be 6-story buildings, okay?
It may go as high as 5 stories.
Wow.
Yeah. It was showroom, Winneba, Tema, and Shy Hills. And to say, Obi or person who how it looks like, you know, and have a feel of it.
Sir.
Yeah. Obi to my friend Nawaba.
Now, so on one so a brother obey.
Yeah.
Okay. To more bar, self-contained, more bar, and I will say, better key how long to finish?
2 weeks maximum.
3 bedroom.
2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Who the baby I'm a mark for them.
One time.
Wow. Hey, now surprise, no.
Price in there, that from 2 bedrooms, say, you know, you are looking at in Ghana cities, you are looking at 399,000 Ghana cities.
Hey.
Yes, very affordable.
Hey. Now, we are more paint like
painted, scheming, all the fixtures will be in there.
Yeah. Some power.
Yeah, but you saw by your.
Oh yeah. I am a fed the way I mean who pictures no video no the way I kono.
Yeah.
Me am many aje ho. Enyu.
Oh enyu.
And obi bakro ohun see a painti kura
you know you cannot tell.
Senye sa wo na wo beka.
There be. Who said the other existing ones ni say you know the exterior you can hardly paint it without concealing, but with our products we paint here scheme it looks like the normal wall. So unless you tell the person say a prefab, they can't
tell. For how long?
We've been there for over 5 years. This technology has been there for over 5 years, but the company they were looking at almost 20 years plus. So we have experience.
It's more buildings ni be ewu.
Yeah.
But you nim say you be.
This is my point actually.
Sir.
Yeah.
It's a difference in any day. And better than me who say we a prefab, we a traditional.
Like I said, unless I been and I said me my culture. You can't tell, and that's how good the product is.
No, just 2 weeks we
2 weeks.
And to me the 2 weeks to me that over 10 years near USC.
Oh, say we send we spend most time at our factory hall to
produce the parts. And don't count 2 weeks. Okay.
Yeah. And what makes it fast is to say we already have designs. I had to say the OBOD Lego. No, you come and pick your design. Then we pick the parts. Then we come in. Yeah.
Take how long?
A factory, no. Factory, we are always producing. So from your order to finish, you know, is the 2 weeks. I have a factory in there. I know your side. Okay, we have the parts and everything in stock. So Ubana can say, 2 bedroom, you want it this way. Now, yes, sir. Yeah, but shama.
They say latest trend I wore prefab day.
It's how easy you can customize it. Some are very rigid, and I say you know, all the parts needs to see what. Like if you want to change or the layout or anything, it's very difficult. But ours in the you can, if today you have a 3 bedroom, you want to make it a 2 bedroom, you can rearrange the parts and make it a 2 bedroom. So just like real estate, you can expand the house. The prefab too, you can expand the house. Yes, without throwing the
whole...
whole...
prefab na mo ye traditional no kra.
Traditional ni e call prefab ni a new product we want to, because we've realized that Ghana here housing is quite expensive. Yes, so we want to bridge that gap and make sure say be able to me afford it. Yeah, a house.
And benefit no so huge.
It's huge. Speed in the crown pool tells you say cost, labor cost, and a wastage in a bit free. Yeah.
I see. Yeah. Oh, my idea too much. My idea. May I contact na be no be here.
I think that your contact
no screen as but a new team offered.
No, it's a new team offered.
You I was screen as
exactly.
Oh, effect buildings na effect. When you na ye prefam.
Yeah.
Ba ko be by yeah, abako we mu. And interior decorations ni nyina
everything. Tiled, everything. With the 3D ceilings and everything, yes.
Wow.
It gets it done for you.
It's more buildings, they be what here fan, they be a bit so betobia.
Until I be or whenever, a be or shy house, maybe what time.
Okay. Okay.
Until oh, baby, our assassin one, your banner beshawa, then we see what we can put there.
I mean, you say waterlogged area, mobile building.
Oh, yeah, building.
Say open,
it's even better for waterlogged areas because when they waiting to say brick and mortar to say when you put it will be sinking into the soil. Yeah, this is very light.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tinde bebia musi ewo. Enti number no ne 0556768989 0556786768 na chese woni Sereno Homes Eddie Enkomo Prefam Housing digital Mr. Ojan 2 weeks no ma wie dia mo e dey escafon be rush pa
more rush
bedru yeso na say yasa
sir we are here to take care of organics.
Yes Michelle bibia ni hobi
your office or committee 1
okay
it's behind Malcolm Plus, close to Low Price Masters. Yes, until we Low Price Masters we are just adjacent to it.
Yes. Yeah, that's it. I mean, sure. You see, we're free how we course no ebe flow or something. O pebia contact na ewase no. Menene nkomodie no ma yemfa ensi ha yem birthday for no so edie na ebrason say yes celebrity war month no. Ma yenko birthday no eso. Happy birthday enko Emma Abna Sikena. Happy birthday Abna Sikena. Osmobo birthday nyum no Emma womo no mun celebrate. So na me wo Alliance life insurance for ewa ha. What insurance ide na ne onim de ye ba bedi ho enkomo. Enti me wo menua ba fefe ni menua be ma wo ha. Me ma munyina kwa ba. Na bibia ye bokode. Ye da mo ase. Papa Alliance life insurance. Yeni hu nkomo bapa na wodi ni nyina de say
ye frame na Adole Avevo sani awkan
na Adole Avevo wodi de dodo nyame sure papa Alliance life insurance yentie mu nkomo kakra na ja yen insurance yen fe hu nshi
so de bia ye ba afi bia ye ba adomfo de mo ne yen na ebo bra no na ene ye ba ya ye bedaga na fo ase se omne atene yi na omonso a omoto ye insurance no ye nya ho adansidie bebre ena ene no ye san ba ye na ye san be di Alliance for life ho komo se na de bia ye di no eno ho komo ena ye ba be di mene menua kobi ena enam
okay ena na kobi mfa ye nwura mu Alliance life insurance de no wo package net say
na me ka so bisa me say ye frame say na ma sure say me de sha da kemu pa ye Isaac the kobi ahen ye ka Alliance for life Alliance for life ye insurance product bia ye design ya magana fo nyina
okay
ye ka no micro insurance product koma ye yan koran adwuma so ye drop na wotie mi we carpenter ni we mason ni obi biara oyo ono ankasa na adwuma student ya ye ne se na be ya se utumi edo ho dom policy ya udi obi nso ye den ka ho se beta fache se sa nipa no free mu a Alliance be ma o titisika no 100 million na odi ayi den odi akoye na yi enye no kwa na ye den ye wo bibi efe no hospitalization benefit ayi no kire se nipa na odi na account ho no ana se wankasa se okoda ya resabia Alliance ma a free 100 Ghana cedi ekosi 3000 Ghana cedi eno ne Alliance for Life ayaye e dia ma Ghana fo nyina
ami shramu nti na why na was odi no ho hyemu waka Ghana fo nyina de
obia from 18 years ekopem 65 years there we qualify we ye wa wedwuma we ye adwuma ma obi o the facts ne say ene say ye wo to hospital ana say owuo ba eya na esu na ewo mu no ho enye nipa na wewu no na eka na da ho no ena me pese owuo bi ba na say wo yare a wodwen wa wo ho enye eka na wabɔ no aha enti na Alliance Life ede Alliance for Life abano eno hu nti obi a we di 18 to 65 years a wo ye adwuma wo Ghana ha de wo dia
I see enti we no de na health any funeral policy ana
Hebeka sa
unim insurance unim insurance pa
egusu anso ye
yes so hospitalization and death than ye can
the aside we more other policies and so
policies na dey bebre kwa but enenia ye bo hu de Europa no Alliance for Life
ye be hu mo he sebe ya ye ka say obi ate sansemo no Baza onye gidie bia as insurance motete yesa nam ne ade ana ne tua na edene
okay
ti ye behunu mo he papa
before ye be ba eno so no ye be se hu ye magana fo hu sene ombe ya ombetum de omho adom Alliance for Life ko no Alliance for Life product na kasa no partnership ne MTN enti se wo MTN phone sisi a wo hwɛ me na wo tie mi wo fa wo phone na wo kɔ mo ne so a me star 170 hash
okay
Umia star 170 has any show matayima. Now if you work option 5. No one say 5. First 5 near financial service. Second 5 near insurance. Udu 5 you know me 2 be hu edaho Alliance for Life.
Okay.
Now if you work option 1 and no just say oh twa no na register. Now if you register we are when me hash now confirm udem.
Okay.
It's very very simple.
Nti ado no ye de momo kra betimi renew.
Momo.
Enwa na de to na asem de there wo ho ne say usually no de bia ye ka so insurance utuetuetua hunya ho hwe which is fine yes obetua at the end of every year no enye say utua keke utuetuetuetua na hwe yensi a 15% of sika na wetua no na Alliance assign the amount so wo ho and aside that no say wunya claim enya fe na onenam
obebre
de bi senia woto na saa pepepepepe and not be you claim senia kwa bi kan no star 170 hash na no your magic number into wo bo a wo be call 5 financial services wako 5 insurance wako 2 Alliance for Life for claim no wasan bo 2 wo bo 2 na obi a all Alliance Life ebefro nti enye se wo be bre ho senia
digital
thank you bibia ya digital at your fingertips so far phone na enwanu no nti ye momo na ye de
ko start how much sikano
premium no senia kan no ekoma Ghana fo nyinara utonkube na utie mi ekoma wo ebeye me ya se utonkube a untumi en sacrifice kube ba ko 5 cedis enfanya insurance ma odofo nti se ukra 5 cedis abusum ni nyina utumi to insurance no be ma 2000 se nipa na waya ma na ni free ma utumi nso to 13 cedis de 13 cedis no be ma 6000 Ghana cedis and ye 18 cedis de 18 cedis de be ma 8000 Ghana cedis na nipa no koda ayaresabia amano 80 Ghana cedis edebia
it we no just every month bia so utua 18 na 18 na
betia sa no kuku dam na nkasa no 22 cedis when say efo so hwa busum ni nyina 22 Ghana cedis
wo wa ya increase ho ya increase
mpacho ya increase ye sene onim dada na
dedi eno credit ne ye wa ha ne ye kire Ghana fo nyina se sene ne omo te last year no yenim se ne mo ma ye dindie ba ye dwen omo ho enti akosoro ani 22 Ghana cedis ubenya 100 and quantity 100 million 10,000 Ghana cedis enu gina obotom
5 cedi na ba ya boso me 5 say 13 na boso me 13 22
22 18 dia wo ho 3 crown so den oba me be say me ka 3 because 3 ne die eya na eya ye
because we see kan wo form a eno na be kire de
thank you exactly
yare also de bo wa unim price no say say mu yeduru ena ye bosome two de say ye bodua ekura no
1 Ghana
1 Ghana de odi di ayi de bia enkosu awie ne ayi toyi now
keep no cry 2.5
eno cry na ekosu ayi 2 oh ntu keep bia ebedu bosome ubenya be 22 no na de ato
no but adia ba ko a ye hu a yen ya e wa alliance ne say bebre na ta omfo obi nka ho buy one get one free into o cover wo ho no one cover wo dofo ba ko ni nyina price ba ko na into 22 seconds
me to na me de kobi account as in me next of kin na
yeah can additional life
ayo so me do bia ka ho
yes odofo
wakasa kobi no onipa no ho ka enye ni di na wo so but support ya obenya benefit ni be kwa ma no
enti no wo to a ebia me to ye no mesio me dofo a me de na ka ho eye kobi se kobi ho ka sika no obenya memenya ama no because ono ne ho ka me ho so me den me ho ka
say sika no so beti
okay the same thing enti meti hey me nuane adole ma to 22 Ghana cedis se mini ho a be ma me 10,000 Ghana cedis me yare 100 Ghana cedis sa adole nso ho ka e be ma me 10,000 Ghana cedis am de akoye na yi na se me koda hospital e de bia me da ho bia no ye ma ke me 100 Ghana cedis e free 3 days e ko enti me koda 30 days a 3,000 Ghana cedis me go so tiase yes
fancy our number is 0308249090 na watwa enkomo no so me da masepa
yes da Ghana fo nyina ase
sa ene CJ Forsen ne birthday ne 40th birthday nti happy birthday call ma Mrs Forsen I needing a day Mrs Nana Araba Koba Forsen happy birthday nyame hira nyame nyo kese papa ko si se obeye kese nti Mrs Forsen ene da so fefe sa no me am next
well yasaba to adwumadi ne so ayda mu nyina masesema koso agebre ehwe bedwam on Adom TV multi TV so ye besrem se ne yasebdika ye ntimi amfa ambrem nyame ya Adom akira the marine free say the people's forum e dey bro ti asebdika komo bebre wono ma betimi e dey bro na otimi ato aso kama ne ada ase so se brebia da no wo hwe bedwam on Adom TV multi TV so the teacher ni e bra do eye empense mo bre da nyuma koyase Franco Trading Enterprise for one other Masafari tissue and afi Richoko and a Zest consult for as your question ko say yemfa empense mu emfa embram penfo atena se enesa inimyan for Tay Labi Oklite atena se sanso na eye miankasa minua pen aipe na no da no di na woda nimnyam for aipe happy birthday sonko emfa my belated one ejiri se onyambe
and belated though today is 17th May and today is my birthday
happy birthday
to
and when amount for the on social media
amount for minim and na easy cry amount for send me actually it's today
and the date be your one
na Facebook attires I don't say because of days hours in other jurisdiction it me eba in advance
oh good we do our nice one I don't count the consensus say
onyame Adom boko minu ya I consensus here and rap friend na watching me fi asisia delegates no akakra no mo kasa and ra me ko dokrochoa another one of the biggest communities in Insuano. The cultural is about.
So, how many blocks within the constituency?
Yeah, well, a big 3 zones and 27 electoral areas.
Okay, so you're on the screen. Happy birthday, Honorable Samuel Aipe. Okay. I used to 2023 hopeful.
Yes, I used to know.
Oh, wow. Happy birthday.
I see. Because she is very good. And Answer na Kofi Pare. So what to probe
yeah, Kofi Pare.
Ekwapim for villages.
The 17 states of Ekwapim, Obia when the village were in Suano.
Okay.
And I achieved for us as in Ekwapim for the migratory.
Okay.
Into Ekwapim state 17. Kofi Pare for a brie.
All right.
A brie. And now Dr. Chua a dew and a latte.
Okay.
Two quite what Dr. Chua dew and Dr. Chua latte.
Okay.
Or twice baby a bifini a brief worker.
Okay.
Teacher Manti a latte.
The popular one, Teacher Manti.
Yes.
Yeah.
Teacher who half a year latte for.
Okay.
And I can't let you for no a coupon for.
All right.
The Ukona could do a manasia also your a chilpon for no a brew. And a mampong. Mampong. Futi scattered and me go show na asama delegates ne kan e ba kope.
Okay.
Say ayensuano seat is not for sale. Say ufi ayensuano. Na nyame ye wadom na onya ba bi gina. Awo Ghana ha. Na wan kai say ufi ayensuano. E bi say ye pedi baby wa ayensuano ye mfama. Me wie school wo me wa ayensuano oto ase. Me cool school ho me wie school ho but school so wan kran me wie ya me be ye be wo DVL bi ba me nsem no first me call Metro Mass betumi a kira wo nipa me fa won wa adwumam as workshop manager for Metro Mass do this 2003 2004 2005 e bi kura for retirement this time round me kai se me nya adwuma pena me kai se me fi ayensu no drivers conductors me call DVL Obiara ofia yensuano beba oba be register our car say your roadworthiness certificate na baba say your driver's license kwan bia me fa so me boa na won sa aka no me boa won sa aka me be nya sika me tell transport company na me fleet size about 14 vehicles those days at a young guy around 32 years me de be cars ni nyira akogu ayensuano suhum krabo akota sum man for twice krabo man for satana kwan was very bad it was so bad say Kebia, edu be na me cast nkwan na ran o. Nti mra me pese me di MP ni ma mre kra. Nti ni ayensu anofo kan se. Se wunya baabi si. Ne wan kai se wufi ayensu ano. Na se ne aban aba wa ma appointment. Nu ahu se aban no eye Akufo-Addo era no is ending. Though MPP be breaking 80 day, but the Akufo-Addo era is ending. Enti no who kwa kope baabi atew. The next MPP government never know when your appointment to crowd we MP. Ayensu anofo se enye ho. Baby a we do nkwe no. Kwana ko di MP ho. Se wo adenta na we do nkwe a ko di MP wa adenta ho so seat ho. Se kropon na we do nkwe a ko di ko ho. Na ayensu anofo nso anya hwe kra na ye nya hwe kra yen MP ne de. Yen protect. Ja ayensu anofo amitie mi. Ayensu anu seat. It's for the indigenous people of Ayensuano. That one will preserve it. Niye kan say unfi Ayensuano mpo. Na say adwuma do aba pu Ayensuano. Na ehwa na wote. What na hoda? What kai winchi a? Ye nka say wonwa Ayensuano ye facility ni ma. Debi. Anya so kura the constitution no kura kan. O say what at least be 2 years or 5 years. It say one tra hoda. Na ehwa akaka na ofi. Na ukobo wo bra. Na wan kai say ufi Ayensuano ya. You facility ni ma. Asoma delegates na kan kire me ni. Na me bon pai say what the be adwuma because say John asem let me be o mu. Fear them. In some wa kan kire me no. Say no pa no what the be adwuma dia. And na nka menua. Right, so the next time I baba train bi na me share that na congratulate. Say na menua yin so ma me congratulate you.
Thank you very much.
Menua menene and enter parliament. And yeah me be fi one or that so and why did they maintain income? Anybody say, hey, maintain income, a corner. I'm going to show how it's for me. Sit be over. Say, who say, we are a honor NDC in Ukraine. I won't have because we get a foregone conclusion. It's me, Nakopon can't who know out. So, who know any master so that was parliament. Yeah, in Pempi, you know. Professors and lecturers now at universities. What about parliament? I say them who's papa way there or the move. So if you want to cast out and say, especially say when the area I want to say Otiase. Otia Jumanase.
Let me join. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, silent killer. You don't talk. Your talks are with your deeds.
Yeah.
I'm sure your constituency saw that.
Oh yes, very well.
Now, you grapping.
I see.
I'm not here grapping no about you, madam. On tonight,
what ye?
Ya fa no kra. What the MP
so what was the trick?
Well, mine me da me constituency for us. Party for you, especially my former chairman David Walter and in the team. There wasn't any trick, but the fact is that I have endeared myself with the people. Now, I've been with them through thick and thin. Now, I am one MP, I am very accessible, but not too loud. Not too loud. Because, but I make sure, say, where I am needed, no, when I am needed, no. Now, I try out of my own small way to support my constituency for no, in diverse ways. And you know, and now I call baby, I catch on say, I have 33 electoral areas. Now, you categorize it into zones. I was 7. Every zone, there's something because tell Abina or the buy. And as members of parliament, you know, you're development agents. But at least, you know, maybe kakran, so yeah, motivating and crop on here. Okohonuma, Ewohonumu. Na Mijidi say, and no, Ekahon, and Ama, Monfono, Etuaba, Edimamino. Now, there's something very, you know, significant. I'm for taking note. Every year, I call primaries, you know. Me started, you know, my first primaries, I won by 16 votes, 26 votes. The following one, I won by 1,000. No, it was a mass winner, you know, electoral college. The next one, I won by a margin of about 280 something. Then this time I won the closest person, Bitino, with more than 400 something votes. And progressively, you know, I'm making, you know, impact. I'm walking into the heart of our people. Now, the MEA, and you know, I was not surprised. Though those who came and were making a lot of noise, you know, were surprised, you know, at the turn of events. But again, I mean, a lot of them, they were not known in the constituency. I'm not saying someone feel but woman and baby, I could do elections, you know. Everybody wants to come and join. Especially one who say NDC is coming to power. And, you know, everybody wants to come and seek refuge. And I mean, the lesson they should learn is that you don't just sit and join the train, but make sure say you are part of the foundation. Come and join, be part of the process. Come and join the party, because a lot of them have no many branches. So, but all of a sudden, you know, because it's democracy, you know, everybody wants to come and join. But be as it may, you know, the elections are over. Now I'm a catcher woman say this is the time to come together. Now you wrestle power from the MPP. Come 2024, December 7th, and I believe we shall do just that. And with His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, let me take this opportunity to also congratulate him for a very massive win, almost 99%. That's quite significant. Now it tells you that we believe in him, and we want him, you know, to lead us, because we need somebody with some experience, at least on those who have governed the system before. Baby, I always say,
Ghana for your mama.
Very, very well.
Are you sure about that?
Very, very sure. You see, there's one thing Akufo-Addo is missing out on. Like I say, 2013, 2014, Ghana called crisis Bimukakra. We had this doom, so we had a problem with our oil, and cocoa prices and things fell. I mean, we were in crisis. Now, the area and say we had a stakeholder meeting early. Everybody came there. Ombe omde Jomama si adwene ne ono nko ne team. Ofra obia round table. And then we came out early, took a decision, and went to the IMF. And no one saw an MPP be here from 2017, 2018. But we said once I move out of IMF, and they started to experiencing problems. Even before COVID by, I had to take refuge in COVID. Now the economy was taking a nosedive. Now, it's because we are a government that they believe so much in themselves. Say Bibia woman, then so unfortunately, no. Advice look at the way we are struggling to even access this IMF facility. Because say we are now one core hospital in Tema. When you are comatose and you do call hospital, the doctors will find it very difficult to find out what is wrong with you. Very, very difficult. Because you call consulting room, it is what you tell the doctors. And every moment who they are here. But when you go, they have to use all manner of third party, other things, other processes, which will take a longer time. And that is what we are going through right now. And then our situation is so damning. Say, Omuni baby on beso, and they are help here. Omuka go and do this. Ochra, go and do this. And it obi awaye bidano. Ono ne here no say. And we need people, among from obi awaye honest. Tell us the truth. Oba kan che Ghana for. Sade ni ho no ma eni ho. E wo ho no ma e wo ho. Na ye nyina ye hu ba bia ye ko. But we have a situation where we are being promised all manner of things. They are telling us all manner of stories. For the first time in the history of this country, former Chief Justice, echo demonstration. We can't say one man demonstrator, because she was more louder than the rest. And now Piketty what do you call it? Finance Ministry. Now the picture now painting, and yet pleasant at all. And yet pleasant. But in America, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Afi and Cheba, we have less than 2 years for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama NDC to take up the mantle and take Ghanaians out of this situation we find ourselves in. It is not going to be easy, but I believe that with perseverance and thinking through, good policies, or our policies very well, we'll be able to take Ghanaians out of the situation we find ourselves in. Hopefully. Okay, so Mamendra, you attention saying effective today, public transport fares goes SWATT. And in line with the administrative arrangement on public transport fares, the road transport operators have reduced public transport fares by 10% to accommodate for the reductions in price of petroleum products observed over the period. The new fares take effect from today, Wednesday, 17th of May 2023. The fares cover the following types of road transport operators: shared taxis, intracity, that's trotro, intercity, long distance, haulage. We kindly request all commercial transport operators to comply with the new fares and post same at their loading terminals. We further request all operators, commuters, and the general public to kindly cooperate for the successful implementation of the new fares. We take this opportunity to assure all transport operators and the general public that we will continue to work in their interest. And it's signed, Mr. Godfred Abobri, General Secretary, Ghana Private Road Transport Union, GPRT of TUC, and Mr. Emmanuel Ohene Yaboa, General Secretary, Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council. And it's on behalf of the Minister, copied to the Transport Ministry, the Information Ministry, Energy Ministry, National Petroleum Authority, and to all regional coordinating directors. So, Monshenoso is very important. Monshenoso now, a driver for, a passenger for, car owners, station officers, the M-Pesa, Blues, these places, Monshenoso no more
rectify na bibia nko kama enfa mai e ka transport wasema I am in so interest to buy. Answer no about Kitty no.
Okay, Kitty no baby I don't find a what. Na answer na.
Yeah.
No fast back on the system made in the back boy.
Yes.
Or the Parkway free.
Okay.
On the be the same birthday.
Parkway free
your MPS them reports.
Okay, MPS.
Yes, Odini birthday.
Happy birthday, come on.
Happy birthday.
Right?
Utie me pa on and then transport fares ampa your pricing window maybe a tripartite committee 3 parties committee eshia na wobobo say ekosra e say bafam say na bafam so many factors has to be put into consideration and here who say who be here say first no e bafam by 10% na GPRTU and other transport unions no ajato nti e was say bafam e bet I say senia ekosra obunyina e comply na ome ekosro no we so omodin say obeja atom sa sane say niama sane we say ekosra with the pressure to committee no so especially Ministry of Transport who is one party of the committee ema ojetum ema price no kosro sa so na abafemi won ankasa ahia na won aja atom say e we say abafem inti abafem ye be say concern drivers union for it's one day one penny man and my firm edu baby are in on market like this no untimi get a one penny obe kande nanso wo kan wi a na say a competition abema na obi actress 10% na wo so 10% passenger no go for car na onim baby a
concern for no they should forgive but I don't know they can be
but the confusion about the system because
most of the things they do
into say on several occasions mark our work for you so biggest platforms that union transport system I operate to Ghana that there should be companies GPRTU should be GPRTU company limited a limited liability company with their buses inscriptions on them yes it is anka way by concerned drivers company limited all their buses are written concern it is all the 10% now obi ehun say concern ketwoma on the fees no was by 10% it mean for na GPRTU transport coordinating council limited company limited on the ebone back car ho into udu anu afro see anya sa na me be koso afa obo ntoko ebeba because obi driver no no nche on car no concern passenger no ofro no e contract say we go for car offer and acceptance nti offer and acceptance no say ya kan we market say fair no 10% down nti offer no ye nchire on say concern we say obi kura no GPRTU member e say bibia mo car no ho e just GPRTU nti o say me so me concern nti me yi so ye obi say me so me concern me yi so e the confusion member nti a we say we until so by 10% no wanka na issues no ho committee no address na sa confusion yi enko nti be say draft no say they should comply ye pa mo chopa afei minia te e kan say NDC fo ehun ntem efre forum ekuhia na obobo nipa bi pianim no ne eku adonko no ekuhia wo sa summit na ase but me pese me maminu ati ase se wo yare na wonim yare ku yeyew se otifo se me wa hypertension na me tieti me mpo me na me hu se no me yare na ba ma check me BP wo so am hospital na catch a doctor say me BP aba so doctor na check no hu se am pa me BP na aba so o ma medru it is a MPP aban economy ye nya crisis ni enim adekodi ade crisis na bai say ye per balance of payment support na ma ye seed no enya hoden na ye tumi come out with the international crisis akan wi ase nyina na ye fimapua ye nsanka Ghana fosika ni nsanko tena senchi emoka enya den biem eye mra wonim adekodi how economy no sa mre na wobekọ senchi ni waka say hey abusuafo moto abama me say mu o man no na mom no abro me so me hu adekodi am economy ne say ya na say nti mo mra na ye hia na ye hu nekodi ye yoma ba Ghana foto ababa na do dan kwaku fa do aban ana eniama say ye nim adekodi am e ba sa say Russia Ukraine aba ye balance of payment a drop nti ama ohaw aba nti ye kọ ni akope balance of payment support from IMF anu si amesa moka ye ni ma say ye na nka ye ni ma de kode ni ye hu an say economy ne fema na ekọ ye ni ma de kode Ghana fo me yan adwene And ye kwa IMF so IMF so akere yen say mo debt to GDP ratio no e wo soro dodo. Nti munya bibi fa ho eye den na e ko soro. E ko soro because President Kufuor giant 26% to GDP. Papa ya e no sample president e dia. Ye nua obligate e kana semi. E be fa yen fi 26%. Hwi team to 56% or the 30% in the account. Meaning for 30%, faka 56% when I say yeah. At the end of 86%. It is a difference between MPP and DC. Near Yadia Bakama, who calculating the year, yeah, the 37% in Abekam. NDC the 30% in Abekam. It is a economy, no, it's not motopic ya with the abbey, me famation say. Akufo-Addo should accept blame of the economy now saying. As a blame be or they should share it. Former President Mahama should share that blame with the current president because Akufo giant 26% debt to GDP. Now Konube so mukwa down with 30 and 35. And President Akufo-Addo should be so go 55. And Kanyane said I have say we should draw a program that will bring us to 55% within 6 years. And we been debt exchange program so that in the next 6 years your debt to GDP ratio will drop to 56%, 55%. It's in your question the subono kwa bonana do down kwa Akufo-Addo abanya enye ye. It's say no bofu mutokuru no ono wa mankwan anso. Kufuor after he pick left debt at 26% to GDP. And then you could do 56%. Somebody added 30%. Somebody added 30%. And the answer is 37%. Me say ye see about 256%, nearly 37% I don't support it in any way. But we should accept to say, so the 30% become no be the 37% abeka. You should share the blame. You shouldn't put the blame to one person. And I don't see any near how man see any man ye ko say ye ko frɛ me ko bi sa adwene. Sebuta frache ye we kuku damfo. Ya researching ye hu sampa. Nye ye hia a balance of payment support from IMF. Ye hia $3 billion. Near the beshema e be economy na to me ejina. Afi certain near maybe a home grown policy ye di atoto ho ma neama be ko fam kakra. You see nyamazom COVID no ko Russia Ukraine negum kakra nso no sukra no nipa afa ho adwene neama bia de say na ye ha transport first e ko so 10%. And the 3 billion yes by the end of this week na $6 million aba. And no so be boa ma cedi na hoden aba. E be ma fuel no so drop. Yet ye bia by the next week no na say san ko down about 10% BM. It neama get better. Things are getting better. So we share the blame. See, to me here, not that by the end of this year, by the end of 2024, we go to Aba. Now, say near ma to years here. Mesre minia oblitinum. Any former President Mahama said, one for glory, you know, and money or accept blame.
Cut down. Say cut down. He's talking about cutting down on the expenditure.
Oh, expenditure now 50%.
And size of government.
Presidents are cutting down. Size of government. I'm not President Akufo-Addo winning 2020 elections. 2021, we the cabinet, but we're cutting down. You see, you should not forget the fact to say, no, I'm not no president, no. Ministries, no, regions near 10. And the 6 are become home. And this they should put all these factors into consideration. No one says, sir, cut down 126 ministers, I cut 2021, and yes, I'm ministerial, we're cutting down drastically down. It now baby no come. Now the finance minister say, "Ya tiwa ma appointees necessary require reducing by 30%." Now no the account ama ya cut by 50%. And the government infrastructure development impo. Ya the share budget ni impo. Ya cutting it down because ya who say, "No man na yes be ye to me ye ni nyina wi a be ma budget deficit no akosoro." Nti me mani bi ho ya cutting it down. Project be yes ye be ye bi ho see in sha see blue pempen so bi a ye be ya we are cutting down and grow slowly. Na be able to aboa and no can be and growth the growth of the economy no IMF now we can even go about 26%, not at 2.6%, not the 3.5 that you proposed, because in many be higher say be economy na grow you can say yeah the ahochire baba into you squeezing it down kakra so na be next year no he be to me grow into ya san nyama no kan ya de gu akwan mu and it yielding dividend nyama kan ya de gu akwan mu a edin faso the broman no nti so ni asem bia kan you should keep quiet matter so say oba obobo kuko bu impreku ma na ade no de amankrofo ayen Until on concentrate on that. No nya economy na India big brain na dream kese na etumi edwene who say no, let's go for balance of payment support. Let's cut down to 50%. Let us reduce the size.
What has been the problem with us?
Baby, you finish my building. And no match we are. Me say near you finish say President Kufuor buy no na your debt to GDP ratio is about 120%. So we went to IMF for
me could judge that Saba.
But if you want to see baby na mraba baby what to say.
Baby free.
Exactly.
Na your figures no.
Yes.
Then your figures no. Atitia faso atitia pass.
Now me study the growth of the economy, which is the pivot. Say person who say economy other indices say indices ni nyina inflation, debt to GDP ratio, balance of payment, ni nyina it boils up to the growth of the economy. So when your economy drops, the growth drops. Is that how you're going to look at the indices? The figures. But say equal up, you are okay. Me share me who say between 2019 and 2020, the economy growth dropped from 6.7% to 0.4%. So economy bang. And at a point in time, within 1 year, it grew 6.7. Now within 1 year, it may drop to 0.5. Actually, we say, as some I can say, COVID, am how young? COVID, am sangase. COVID, it's still economy, it is true. Because we chef Professor Ames a pencil. Then the economy grow, take over. About 9 point something%. The growth. Now within 1 year, a drop from 6.7 to 0.4. Now see, COVID, man, me and cat because you know me a drop way. So what caused that sharp drop from 6? Because I can get COVID and even 6.7, you drop you better drop we are 4.5, near 3.2, near 1.5. Hey, economy drop to 0.4. But one that sharp drop we should tell us that there was something wrong.
Okay, so
something critically wrong with it.
Again, because almost all the time attacking. Prescription. President Mahama Senior referred to
me that's it. Them say sometimes I don't know.
What do you want to know?
What do you call it? You have a team, a football team, who are reserve players, and who another team, team A and B. Now, yeah, ball. When you decide to make changes, you bring them in to do better.
Not to just be the normal.
Yeah, that's right. So if you do substitution, now the performance of the substituted
impact,
that means the person you brought in, competent. Because if per his line of thought, if the debt to GDP, increase to about 56, because we added 30%, and then you came and added 37, it means that your contribution was negative.
But the scenario is also the same.
That is, no, not necessarily that. But the fact is that, also, I don't even want to go to HIPIC. The reasons why, even because we're giving debt relief and all those things, you cannot even compare those times, to this current situation we find ourselves in. But the fact is, 2013, 14, 15, 16, as at the time NDC was leaving government, the programs that NDC edited form are MPP buy. We say 2016 our economy grew by 3.4%. Now when the MPP came, right, 2017 we went to 8% growth by 8%. He said the no can okay. And then substantially economy grew that much.
The rippling effect.
Because we put in measures. Because one, investment in the oil sector was massive because of the IMF program and and the economy improved. They could not. Because the number of ministers, normal programs don't buy any additional. They couldn't have grown this economy by 8%. Now, the trajectory now, 2017, 18, 19, and then who said the economy started taking those dive. When we exited the IMF program, no, woman can do woman dream started a year to man, and who's at the end of the day, started air form, and now COVID do then at the peso, and it's the economy itself no was wobbly already, and you know, and in your 9 papa so ejina, at it is your immune system, you're weak. Now you're about and that is what we suffer because when they compare other sister countries, even Togo, Ivory Coast, no many are there. COVID no hitting and the same, but because they were resilient, the economy was on the right. They were taking the right decisions. They did not. Woman call baby I could do this here. Woman call baby I could do this here. Anything no. Say or yes, our comparisons here. They should look at it properly. What we are saying is unim abai we ye bibia very interesting. Also what team ministers so, but who call the office of government machinery and I say the seat of government. Okay, weird appointment you know me one. Woman in Article 71 hold office holders. In fact, maybe I person can be correct, but I would have brought the list of those appointments and appointees now. Woman ye who they count one and no be count the catch on woman. I mean, very amorphous designations, you know. Director in charge of church relations, director in charge of no, I mean a lot of appointments. In fact, because you appoint all of these people under Article 71. Some of them are equivalent to ministers. Some of them are equivalent to deputy ministers. And it because of numbers of parliament, our constitution says 50%. should come from parliament. Now, because they are 137, you have no option. You have no option but to do what the constitution says. Until one entity appointee, President Akufo-Addo was not listening to Ghanaians. He was not listening to Ghanaians. And yet Ghanaians or reducing numbers. It was imposed on him through the polls. And it fee ministers, those are more force appointments, almost the equivalent to ministers and whatever. Until they say, can't you reduce the number of appointees now? And yet ministers don't go other appointees hold the positions equivalent to ministers and deputy ministers. A lot of them who call even state enterprises. Baby, now you need deputies. One more, a chief deputy CEO, 3, 4 deputy CEOs. Then you know your car, Eddie Mabai, Eddie Magana. And no one can't almost streamline all those things, no? Because see that to me wasn't like that. Then you know Kaka Ebono. And then the economy need taking nosedive from 2018-19. Eddie Bana COVID to the baby period. And it the American children say, time na ade no course na ye advice woman. They came to look like one. Or say the woman problem no. They knew the problem. But they decided to go around, spend government money, buy sika, taxpayers' money to go around in the name of what do you call it, town hall meetings. Town hall meetings. Somebody what do you call it, says among for about educate them, not about take ideas. But you see, the point is to educate them. Listen to me, Minia. Let me tell you, the air culture are woman. You take preemptive measures, not when you are in crisis. Firefighting. I'm for raising concern. If you really wanted to take the people on board now, Akasa last minute what do you call it? Engagement, no? And would have been done earlier. And then I can say, go to the people earlier. Go there early, talk to the people, let them carry the people along. That is what governance is about. You see democracy by the people for the people. And it let the people understand, carry the people along. You don't impose it on them. anything you live, you know, a fairly important. And what it means is that woman can one project is there, a follow flat. Well, and then they can say, by way, they feel, say, they know it all. And therefore, they said, woman in the air, woman, but once upon a time, even before COVID, no, President Akufo-Addo formed a team of 40. I wouldn't call them experts, but a group of 40 persons said they should find out what was wrong with the dollar. I mean, okay, before COVID. Now all these things were playing out. The neutral and indication of the fact that there was something wrong with this economy.
But I'm not positioning well for Ghanaians to accept that the NDC is definitely the best of options for
Why? Us. Why not? Why not? Look, let's do the comparisons. Look, we have gone through. You see, sometimes because COVID became so popular, everybody knew about COVID, but people have forgotten. Say we went through similar situations. Look, what did COVID do? COVID, no, it affected inflows. It affected revenues. We had similar problems. At the point in time, no, your projections say you beton oil, 1 barrel, you beton your budget, you see you beton $90 per barrel. And your projections he be a drop here, no, you beton of $45, right? In addition to that, no, the production levels, no, also follow here from follow by about 50%. So double jeopardy. The price went down, the volumes also went down. And at that point, you know, at that time, no, the oil revenues were very, very important when it comes to our development in this country. And even now, it's very, very important. Anything about oil sector now, affected. In the growth in the industry, no, a follow year, almost flat. And only different from what we went to, what COVID, you know, brought on board.
But how do you compare?
Why? Oh, me see at the bottom. How do you compare? Listen. The bottom line is revenue.
But when volumes were falling and the issues about
and you are still selling something.
The whole country was shut down.
Hold it. Let me tell you something.
Don't say
let me tell you something.
Don't do that.
That brought
oh, please.
From
wait a minute.
Don't do that.
Wait a minute. Let me tell you something. 0.5. Let's be.
The moment Ober compare volumes dropping, price, world price also.
Everybody was going to work.
No, that one.
At the point in time,
hold on. Go into our books. Me say, revenues drop. Among four incomes drop.
Just revenue.
Please listen to me.
Lives were actually being lost all over central level.
Yes, of course. The American say, and then Ukraine,
the fear as of that time, it cannot be compared to drops in.
And America say the issue about COVID, no,
we've not experienced COVID for years.
Please, but the end result, no, I can say, experiment. Now the at the end of the day, no, the product no
but
the product they say the revenues follow it. Time
when you do that comparison, you civilize the effect of COVID.
No. The effect is that Yesikasem Ankoyi. At that time, also, no, the effect was that Sikasem near then Ankoyi. That is all. Anything no say who fall into crisis. Now the bottom line is say Usika Sema Kwako say. No one take the necessary, measures. And fix that situation no more. What do you make country say why you baby? So they make it.
COVID is not a big deal.
I did to jump here from 6.7 to 0.5.
Wait a minute. Yeah. Who can jumping? Look at that time. Look at the rate of growth. The BAC. I maybe do 3.4 at the time. Agriculture even growing negative at the time. Then the effect of revenue inflows because you have problems. We had crisis with power. We have problems with what do you call it? Industrial growth, specifically in the oil industry. Prices fell. Cocoa prices fell. anything no when no effect na di buy no is the same as what COVID brought to us. The only difference is that when you say I'm for who Ghana have nipa hin ewu ye from COVID. Anything no, it's a life. No. I tell you, let me can say. The America, me say. Whatever. No. You see, please.
Slow down. And what time come friend banner?
Maybe.
And what time come friend banner?
Don't say that. No. You did. Many bring America say. I don't know the day. The end justifies everything. The end justifies everything. Whatever happens, whatever transpires, at the end of the day, were we able to put food on our table? If you are not able to put food on your table, what it means is that the situation, the crisis, and the
at what point, and crude oil price, affect you so much, necessary, yes, supply in Myanmar, Ghana for Binum, say, Mamma, baby, at what point?
Omaine, Mebo, you have an economy that is so dependent everywhere, health, education, everything. You may not have to supply food because people can go around. Because 1983, I hope so. Yes, nobody supplied any food to anybody. But the same thing happened.
And no,
people had.
But I'm surprised that you are doing this.
Please, I am not. Look, you are not listening. You
not get the output of the person. Only by DJ baby.
No. You are trivializing the whole thing. It's not the same person speaking. You are trivializing the whole thing.
I know it's not the same person speaking.
Listen to me. What I'm saying is that. Please. Because listen to me.
No, actually, I'm here. Pachwadarima. Oko 83 come the bar.
Yeah.
Now for COVID, but now for price at follow world market price.
Yes.
And the volumes are drop.
Yes.
These are three scenarios that are not comparable.
They are. At the end of the day,
that's a bottom line.
The effect on the economy is what I'm talking about. Listen. So the course now. We had to go for support from IMF and World Bank.
Other
institutions.
Yeah.
Now,
that's where maybe we can have a conversation.
But the
impact.
And what happened? The impact. There's no doubt about the impact. What I'm saying is that today, we are owing pensioners. Is it not because of money? Now, if we had money, saw COVID, why should we be in this situation? And the Americans say, if not because of mismanagement, we wouldn't have been where we are.
Okay,
quickly, before people misconstrue what I'm saying, the Americans say, and then we are in this crisis because we don't have money, and the amount they buy, say yes, COVID in Ukraine, because we are not getting the proper inflows, revenues near there follow. Once upon a time, we have other crises. Which includes the fall in the prices of crude oil, gold prices went down, cocoa.
Airports did not cease.
Please, you don't need. Listen to me. You were not traveling. You did not need.
Hospitals were full up and medication was a challenge.
Listen,
that's all over. Food shortages.
It's the same thing. Listen, okay, so but our oil was flowing. The oil was flowing. Everything was flowing as usual. We had support. We had backup, which was even more than our revenue.
Yasaba it was what I'm saying, Chibi Bepeja, Muna, Bibiako, come at the moment.
But me, analysis got clearly.
As someone, Dominic is here, Patrick, my Embra back to Utu.
No, let me, the American maybe. Wait a minute. Oh, no, what can I say? And then what can I say? Just in 2 minutes. The American say, I am giving you the end point of the mismanagement of this economy. Ama yare ne ba ye no yentimi enyina no ama yedina ba bedu ba bia bedu because o hwe funds a yede bre ye yede be kun COVID ama ebi kura kai 17 billion dollars 70 billion kura kai a yede support to economy no yede budget support yet ene your crisis mo e kire say COVID ne buy There's no doubt about that. But because of the incompetence of this government, you know, and you have suffered crisis up to now. Because we were living on life support even before the COVID. The area say Yako Boro near Babidi. Okay. Yako Boro near Babidi. Yako Boro into the car. Because even before 2019, a World Bank a 1 year say the rate at which I borrow no ya asembeba and no woman say
all right. Yeah.
Say this if you look at say we are me power and say we use figures to prove their point. They have forgotten say 2020 now the growth it grew by 0.5%, the lowest ever in the history of this country. The following 2020 we grew by 5.36%, a jump of 4.76%. It is also a mismanagement, and like you drop us and here the beam. But economy was growing at 6.7 in 2019. So economy dropped sharply to 0.5. COVID we grew from 0.5 to 5.36, a sharp growth of 4.76. No can see. Then year strong NT within 2017 yet we grew by 1.7. We share the 8.13. Now we share Tama no more grow 3.37. We if 8.13 a sharp difference of 4.76. It is here to me a grow 4.76 from 0.50 to 5.36. Now here to me big from 3.37 at the same difference of 4.73. So we say a sharp brain.
What was it?
Managing the economy.
What is it?
And
specific things I remember.
Specific things that you say. You cut down expenditure and also invested. You provide a near the environment for invested to come and invest in the country and the economy. It will grow. It's yes, baby. Hey, I'm Mokasa. I'm used to figures. What will I give you away? Obefa car. Former President Mahama boy. Bossing or boy, no multiply by the exchange rate at that time. Now, Wababefa MPP day. No, I multiply by exchange rate today. Forgotten says, Mahama Bossing or boy, Biasi, Kutia, yet today's exchange rate, and a bit changing the Akutia. Now, we are going to say, Mama Bossing 500 something billion. But someone on my exchange and in economy, you are the cause of the exchange rate. In economics, if you want to know the debts, use percentage debt to GDP. It is a ratio. My brother. It is a ratio.
The point is that why do you blame Mahama who left you $1, CDC dollar of 4 point something?
Hold on,
why do you blame
how I disagree? I'm not nominal. I'm
nominal. No. Economists.
That's what you are doing all the time.
No, economists.
Percentage.
Phenomenal figures.
Yeah, it should be.
Phenomenal figures. Listen, see phenomenal figures. Yeah.
Ordinarily, I'm a business person. I walk to the market and I see. As of me,
on my hearing. What's the dollar rate? On my hearing. What's the dollar rate? That's another. What's the dollar rate? That's another discussion. We are talking about the economy and who should accept the blame and what's happening here. Besides, me just say, yeah, phenomenal figures.
But what is the dollar rate?
It should be done well.
Percentage.
It should be done well.
What's the dollar rate now?
It should be done well. So what can I say? Former President Mahama, I borrow $4.
What is the dollar rate now?
Multiply it by 12 today.
No, why would he take responsibility for your incompetence?
Because you could try
Mahama by 12.
Try by 12.
I can't do it.
Try by 12.
We signed with a dollar effect.
Yes, so do that. Now, baby, if ever baby a favor on where you see different rates. Baby a favor on now. So you see, yes, sir. Yeah, the sir, it is up to car a Kufuado and the car former President Mahama Abwa. Multiplied
so the
by
dollar
the
rate
current exchange rate. I think say you better exchange rate no has and also another discussion. But won't mean cover exchange rate differently and multiply different debts. Now my mom is different.
No, but the point is that
accept it. That is not the way it should be calculated.
It is the level of your competencies. And dollar na baby do baby because Bahamian told us. When the fundamentals are
so what they are not to buy but yeah, discussing debt to
no.
rate now. Debt to GDP ratio now.
Baumia say,
it should be.
So now Baumia is the biggest problem.
No, it's not a problem at all. We want him. Let's see what is going to happen to Baumia if these people make a mistake or bring him. We will not campaign. We only contact you people to just. This morning, I was just listening to one of them. Doctors are suffering. Market women are suffering. We just allow them.
We are not bringing him.
You are bringing Elijah.
MPP is bringing Elijah.
Oh,
I see.
I see. Behind the scenes.
Quick one.
MPP.
Quick one. I think the OSP issue.
When I say Alan Ben, when you put hey, and then you machine. Quick one. Mistake.
On the OSP issue. I just want to use this opportunity to advise the OSP themselves. You see, Ghana Hanomono, it is we want to find out among source of income near day, where the person is overly expending sika near there, where we raise doubt about the panel. If we want to find out, send a streamline number. At the same time, no, everyone here. I said no, the chases.
How do you define as the union?
Wait a minute, and then. Yeye depot wo me hono mo yeye depot say omu si dwam no omu sa enra na me kura about 500 Ghana omu sa utu sika no this part of our culture o this sika no utu gu omu so
that is culture we all
wait enya ni baba
we've been doing it
honorable
wherever 2 3
obi sa from
you sika wuni so and
when we are going to elect that what them to corruption
where we are gathered
honorable
gathered for or to gathered for vote for competition
bribe you don't give bribe
when you are going for election about first guy
and the Chatawale no munyina say echi wo because obepie onima maybe it's the same money
no your party is coming back if they are to based on very 3 key things I see. One, the fight against corruption.
Very well. Which is what have been
but your party feels that this administration they've not performed.
Not at all.
Number 2, your party believes that there's massive unemployment.
Seriously.
So there should be that opportunity.
Very well.
Your party also believes that looking at what is happening down, they are better managers of the Ghana's economy than this administration.
It is true.
But say but now catch them say the office of the special prosecutor na who dey no on channel function
and under this government I yetumi ntua amount for pensions ni ade mpa ma wo no Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wa talk from Toyota Hano Crown wa contract amount for he bought brand new say about 1,000 or so what
remember to talk
don't say but I saw them I saw it now maybe yes what
1,000
fully branded from outside pickups
1,000
Tanamati
it's not true so what's
the 1,000 I'm sure the
bag what branding no Baumia I was that Oh, see me hubi. You see me hubi. Part of the numbers now they ban. Say 100 crowd.
So you are calling on the special prosecutor.
Yes, to find out the source of this funding.
It's a fair.
Yes, but I can say because of the special prosecutor and find out source in it. We are going to cash.
Because there are a lot of issues. Vote for oil.
No, hold on, man. Who percent special prosecutor no say obia ya da se waje bra o yes ahwe.
Yeah, that's right.
Ya won money bi on so enso ye kai o say.
Yeah.
Ye jiri say o de wani ko ho a.
Ehodu
they say o can gold for oil.
Oil, yes.
O can share wo hu a. They say Dr. Baumia dia.
Dia.
O so the source.
The source maybe we just get you on the
top. And me free musu say. In the history of Ghana, most of the matter officially of distribution of 40 Ghana.
Oh, wait a
minute. To delegates.
Yes.
In the
every year.
Do you know what?
And this, no,
in your question,
we are not listen.
No, do you know what? It's not about hypocrisy.
Let me tell you something.
Don't under hypocrisy. It's not about that. It's about the democracy we want to practice.
Every conference, we provide transport for the delegates.
No.
Let us not do.
When you are the other side of the coin.
No. Every no. The reason why MPP 2014.
In rapping,
Ken.
We are former MP. Sorry, we are current MP. Wako election 4 times to 5 times. Na se nipa sanla ekwa akoto aba. Na se obi yisika na otugu onso ya. Nipa no yisika otugu onso no. Ono so kwa contest elections ni. What do you want to encourage obi a owo ayensu anu ya. Onu kwa so sawa. Ye di sika eguse nipa no so. What they compare obi a odi lai ma okwa akoto aba. Nipa no contest elections ni bi yisika no to egu nipa no so. Are you comparing? Are you doing this honorable? Are you doing this?
No tie oh
and ba kun se we say ya hwemu ni say NDC for branch bi ani pa be 9 na to aba wo dey multiply about 3600 polling stations here over Ghana ha ni per to aba is about 350 something thousand people. President Mahama yeso mo bi 40 Ghana cedis multiply about 3600 ni be as a former president to the say Ghana way.
Okay, on this note
quickly, what is like for this? Special thousand.
It's still wait a minute. They see, advertising. If you allow now, special.
Do we have to pay delegates to go vote for us?
No, special prosecutor must pay them.
If it is paid,
special prosecutor.
Do we have to pay
special prosecutor.
Stop that.
Let us not pretend.
It's not pretense. There are specific issues. What's your front place? There are specific areas. But let's not do that.
Let me tell you something.